Well, let the matter be listed on Monday. I would like to do this petition.
Withdraw.
To file, yes, to file fresh petition. Highly obliged.
May it please your lordship, I beg to mention for listing of an civil interlocutory application, my lord, on Monday, my lord. The urgency is that, my lord, the in-charge headmaster of an ME school is refusing to hand over charge to the applicant, my lord.
We approach the registry for listing.
My lord. My lord,
We approach the registry for listing it, okay?
my lord, may I please, my lord, there is so much urgency in this.
You approach first.
Obligement.
With concern of the other side, Milot, I beg to mention item number 20, Milot. 20. The matter may be listed after 3 weeks, Milot, for Milot filing affidavit, Milot. Resolution number 9.
As paid for by learned counsel for respondent number 9. How much time?
Lordship,
3 weeks time, Milot.
Lordship, I am from the petitioner.
3 weeks time
Date may be fixed, Lordship.
for filing with counter-affidavit.
Yes, Milot.
This is the matter again after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
I beg to mention item number 15. It may come after 1 week. Somewhere.
1 week.
Item 15.
As paid for by Mr. B. Professor, counsel for the petitioners. This is the matter again after a week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
File application for file listing the K2 cases, madam. But for today, madam, but it is not listed. Not registry. Then friends told me if mentioned, then only they will.
No. There's a register there maintained by them. You write it there.
Because madam, there's
Approach
because madam, there's one is madam related to madam, salary, madam. Salary, madam, he's madam going to retire, madam.
Maybe,
Coming here.
maybe. You approach the registry. There's a register there.
Already I file application, madam.
You take it up again. Then
Madam.
take it up with them. There's a register, there's a register maintained
Madam,
also.
yesterday I also, I am. They told me that unless there's so many applications pending, man. So unless it is allowed, then it is not listed.
Accordingly, they'll list it. Okay.
Item 22, I have instructions not to press pen.
You have Mr. P. the Bhardwaj learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has been instructed by the petitioner not to press the matter. In view of above, the petition stands disposed of as not pressed.
Obliged.
Where to be the loss? Unless item number 19. Kindly this matter may be taken up after the petition.
19.
19.
As paid for by Mr. M. Khan, learned counsel for the petitioner. This is the matter after the exceeding revocation.
Might release your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing for withdrawal, my lord, mandate.
Okay.
And
I beg your lordship permission, my lord. For listing one petition pertaining to pension matters, my lord. It was supposed to be listed in the month of May, my lord. I approached the registry, my lord. No, my lord. 23 matters, my lord.
History for that.
I have approached the registry,
No,
my
no,
lord.
you write it down in the register.
My lord.
Okay.
I have already approached, my lord. 2-3 times, my lord, I approached my registry. It is not listed. That's why I'm mentioning it.
No. See, there's a register maintained there. You enter it there. When did you enter in the register?
I pressed on 3 occasions, my lord.
Not 3 occasions. Give me the date. You're not sure about the date?
I can give my date.
No, see, you are to enter in the register. There's a register maintained there. Accordingly, they'll adjust it. You enter?
My lord.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention for the listing of the WBC 5854/2024. The matter was last listed on 16/6/2025.
Same thing. You approach the registry.
So I'm also prior for listing lordship.
They're also same.
Relates to the salary of the petitioner. Also, last 19 months, they are not getting the salary. Lord.
Approach the registry for listing, okay? Possible.
I may be allowed to withdraw with liberty to file a question.
Why you withdraw?
My lord, there is a defect, my lord. Inadvertently, one of the page of the order I have not annexed, my lord. So I had to file a fresh matter.
Which one?
My lord, page 19, my lord. 19. It is not there, my lord. 18 after last operative part of the order is missing there, my lord. Just after page 18, my lord. That 19 page,
Please write down. Learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr.
jail Oscar, my lord.
J. Laskar submits that he has inadvertently failed to incorporate the entire
Order dated 10/4/25.
order dated 10/4/2025, passed in WPC number 660 of 2023, and therefore he may be allowed to withdraw the contempt petition with liberty to file afresh. Prayers allowed.
Obliged.
Contempt petition stands disposed of as withdrawn and with liberty to file afresh.
Obliged.
May I please? I may be allowed. I have not annexed my similar order also.
What similar order?
This is matter to pertains to compensation appointment. Lordship has already passed some similar order. I have not annexed lordship. Therefore,
So you want to withdraw
lordship,
with liberty
to file a case.
as paid for by Mr.
D. Gogoi.
D. Gogoi, learned counsel for the petitioner. The petition stands with dismissed as withdrawn. However, with liberty to file afresh, is so advised.
Government is also there.
Yes. And Fokat,
Keep-
K. Fokat, learned government advocate appears for the state as well as Mr. P. K. Bora, learned study council elementary education appears for the state department. Yes.
Deeply obliged.
Non-compliance, my lord, order at page 8, my lord. Relevant portion, my lord, paragraph 9. My lord, direction was there, my lord, to calculate and there, my lord, one extra allowance, my lord, for acquiring B.Ed degree. There are 9. Page 11.
Page 9.
Page 11, paragraph 9.
What is that?
My lord, direction is there. In the above view of the matter, is now directed to take up account of the fact and narrated herein above and is thereafter authorized to the petitioner to advance increment for having acquired B.Ed degree in the year 2002. The consequences benefit, financial benefit that would now accrue to the petitioner would be computed and the director secondary sum is released the petitioner within a period of 3 months. Order was served, my lord.
When was it served?
Yes, my lord, the presentation is there, my lord, page 13. And my lord, postal receipt is there, and this postal report is there, that copy, sir. Page 17.
Part Mr. S. Chauhan. Learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that the order dated 21/6/2024 passed by this court in WPC number 6201 of 2021 has not been complied with, despite a copy of the order having been furnished to the respondent. Stop. Next para, issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent by registered folks with ADU within 3 working days. List again after 4 weeks.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, this is against non-compliance of order dated 28/4/2025, passed in WPC number 4906/2024. Your Lordship, kindly come to the page number 16, para number 34 for the effective portion. In view of the foregoing discussions, I am of the considered view that the respondents are deserved to be directed to consider the case of the petitioners for according permission and allowed to conduct admission for the higher secondary first year class and onwards in their respective schools. Accordingly, the respondent authorities, namely the Secretary to the Government of Assam, Secondary Education Department and the Director of Secondary Education, Assam, as well as the AHSEC are directed to consider the case of the petitioners within a period of 3 weeks. So based on this, my writ petition was allowed. I communicated with it with the respondent authorities, and my communications are from the page number 18 onwards.
Okay, what is your name?
B. Parasar.
Okay, similar order, okay. Had Miss B. Prasad. Then the order is dated 28/4/2025. Passed in WPC number 4906 of 2024. Then respondent will be respondents S. Remaining same.
Your Honor, the WPC number is only the different from the previous item number.
Okay,
The same order
Okay.
passed in this case also.
similar order. Had Miss B. B. Parashar. Okay, case number is 4904 of 2024. Order dated 28/4/2025. Then this will also be respondents. Similar order.
Obliged.
Part is at page 18. Order start from page 8. Page 18, para 21.
Yes. You have soft copy?
Yes, yes. From next page onward.
Part Mr. M. Khan, learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that the judgment and order dated 1/5/2025 passed by this court in WPC number 7560 of 2023 has not been complied with, despite a copy of the same having been furnished. How many respondents are there
3 respondents.
to the respondents? He's remaining safe, issue of this, 4 weeks.
In this matter, my lord, we have filed an affidavit today, my lord. I start copy to him, my lord. So matter may be fixed for hearing.
No, may I just submit your, this is with regard to a similar matter your lordship had earlier disposed of.
it is
Marks
possible.
of a student was not uploaded into the system by the college authorities. And because of which she has been marked as absent. And if I'll just take your lordship with regard to,
Let the affidavit be connected, we'll see.
your lordship may kindly come to the marks, annexure E, your lordship, page 32. That is the mark sheet that was uploaded into the system. At the bottom, your lordship will find history. It is shown as theory mark is there. However, practical, it is shown as absent. Then your lordship may kindly come to page 34, annexure G. This is the college authority. Today, the college authority, I think they have appeared. I had sent it by registered post, Mr. Datta is appearing. Now, here, your lordship, the college authority had written to the controller of examination, which, with, if I may. Yeah, with regard, means I'll just draw that, I'll bring your kind attention that the project assessment mark of one of the student from Kachar College who appeared in HS final examination has been recorded as absent. However, the student had duly appeared in the project assessment and submitted their respective project within the stipulated time frame. All relevant documents are enclosed here for your reference. And
Okay, the
along
subject
with
is-
this,
Subject is history.
yes,
What practical are they in history paper?
one minute, practical.
Practical, what is practical
I
subject in
think
history?
theory project, I think.
Normally in science you have practicals
Yeah.
and all that, but in
But
arts.
nowadays, I think there is a theory project or some topics are given to submit the theory projects. This is,
That is referred to as what, project
yes,
or practical?
practical.
Not like a chemistry or.
Not like the theory means practical projects, but this is a theory practical. They give a task to complete or some topic is to be given.
So this letter of the principal says that
That 18 marks, which she was present and she had secured and they had annexure page 35 may be looked into, which is the supporting documents where it has been stated that the petitioner has been given 18 marks in that said assessment. And in page 36,
no, 34 pertains to how many students? It says students. There are more than one
34.
student.
no, it is no doubt it is given students, but the document that was enclosed, it is only
One.
And
This belongs to who? Petitioner.
yes,
Marks obtained this much.
and she is reflected in this page 35. Her name has been shown and endorsed by the principal again.
Hmm.
And page 36 on the third column,
Hmm.
it is that the candidate's concerned attendance is given. And again, in page 37, from the bottom is the petitioner's name, Your Lord.
Hmm.
Now, in spite of this, she was marked absent and the corrections were not made. And because of which she is before this honorable court, Your Lordship. Today, my learned colleague has submitted an affidavit and they have relied upon a notification which Your Lordship had already taken into consideration on a earlier occasion while
What
disposing of similar matter where the fault of the college had resulted in marking the students absent. And this is the order which was passed by Your Lordship. That related to a different college, Gurucharan College. Here it is the Kachar College.
Tomorrow from Coimbatore, they will come, my lord. We are not agreed, my lord. If they don't want to file any reply, then lordship may fix a hearing. That, my lord, I will argue the matter. My lord, is endless process, my lord. After thought, I will argue this matter. The guidelines is there. As per guidelines, my lord, I am reading the last column.
Your Lordship had taken
Guideline
care
of
of that
locality,
guidelines of the last.
Upload the verified sign and printed mark file in the practical mark entry portal for completing the process of mark entry. I certify that information provided above is authentic. I shall remain responsible if it is found to be false or misleading. Signed by the internal examiner, external examiner, and institution head. That is there. If they are responsible, that the public law is there, that go for compensation. Otherwise, my lord, the petitioner can appear only one subject by history or compartmental examination. And now lordship cannot be against the my lord, other pass order. That is the first case, my lord. This type of first case. That was I did not, my lord, object more. Now I have seen like, the endless. Tomorrow another case will come, my lord.
There
Same
is
thing.
serious
Let-
anomalies in the system, Your Lord.
So let
How can a student's career be because of their internal thing, Your Lordship? It is not my fault that I appeared and there is an internal thing. Now, between them,
Yes.
this, rule cannot be,
May not be his or her fault, my lord. This is the responsibility of
See.
the authority.
See, one thing, let the affidavit be connected.
Yes.
We'll post it next week or so.
on tenth, can it be fixed, your lordship?
Then, my lord, I will be out of station, my lord, maybe 17 or 18.
No, no, that would be too late, your lordship.
No, too late is already session is started.
No, no,
It is
how
too
can
late,
a
let it-
lordship, this,
I am not on that, my lord, whether it is late or not, my lord. I am,
this
my
is
lord,
a student's career, your lordship.
we should care, those who have passed by appearing in the.
I don't know why my learned colleague
They are
is
not a
a
student, my lord.
student's thing.
They
It is their
appeared and
internal,
having
it is
pain
their
in the
internal matter which is
examination.
being,
No, my lord, they have pain and obtain, appear in the practical and obtain marks and pass. And they are not appearing, they are coming the back door. They, no.
that is the back door. I have,
Yeah, back door.
lordship, why
I'll
this
prove it.
type of allegation
No, I'll
against
prove it.
a student?
Mr. Sutia, see, we're not deciding any matter today.
Why he is
Why they are
alleging
stretching, my lord? I am
that
saying
it
I
is a
have,
back door?
I have the perfect
As if
figure
this
thing.
honorable court is a backdoor entry, your lordship.
I will
My
approve
learned
it.
colleague is making a submission that coming and
But there is a-
exercising her right.
There is a
You-
guideline that they are taking responsibility. Any faults, any mistake, then go file against them, my lord, compensation case. Why they have been paid?
Okay, you come to a consensus, we'll hear the parties.
Let it be fixed, my lord, on my lord. I will be, well, up to 16, well, I will be out of station, my lord, from to.
Then the vacation starts, your lordship.
Let me be, because of that. I am
Because
not-
the student is not his.
The student, he is the student, otherwise he is not a student. Those were pass.
Others are not before. This is the only agreed.
Pass student, why they will come, my lord?
Obviously, they will not come.
My lord, let it be 18, my lord.
No,
I will come back, my lord, 16.
let it be on 17th, your lordship, if he is,
Oh, okay, 17, no problem.
Okay.
But I will come and
Mr.
midnight, my lord.
then
16.
there should not, and Mr. Datta, I think he has, is,
Let them file affidavit. If they.
So where is your affidavit?
they have appeared today, your lord.
So you'll not be filing affidavit? Mr. T.C. Suti Alanet,
Standing council, my lord.
Standing Council,
Assam State School Education Board.
Assam State School Education Board submits that
That's for number 24.
he has filed the affidavit of the said respondent this morning.
My lord.
When did you file today?
Today, just now I was.
That's.
And has served a copy to the opposite parties. In view of above and has agreed to by the parties, let the matter be listed on 17th of September for admission hearing.
Yes, admission here.
On 18, my lord.
17.
17 or 18?
On 16, I will come in a midday, my lord, from board. And one day I will
Let
have
it be
to
on
take
18th,
rest.
it's a hearing date.
Only one day, my lord.
18th, only it is a hearing date, can be taken.
18, yes, 18.
18, my lord. Obliged, my lord.
A registry to verify and connect the affidavit in the meantime to the record.
Obliged.
May I please, Lord? Okay, here penalty of withholding one increment has been imposed upon the petitioner without any disciplinary proceeding, without any inquiry, my lord, without appointing any inquiry official, thus violating the rule under Assam Services Discipline and Appeal Rules, specifically the Rule 9, my lord.
Where is the impugn order?
My lord will find at page 33.
What is wrong in this order?
My lord, the wrong is that without holding any disciplinary proceeding, penalty cannot be imposed, my lord. It's the rule says, my lord.
When were you suspended?
My lord, he was suspended on 3/3/2012, my lord.
Then reinstated when? By this order.
Yes, by this order, my lord.
This
And
order is-
Toko's notice was issued on 1/10/2012. Thereafter, written statement filed on 8/10/2012, and the impugned order has been passed on 23/2013. Just after 5 months.
There are two dates, 23 and one is 20. Which one is the correct one?
20, my lord.
20. After 1 year.
After, not after 1 year, after 5 months, my lord.
Now, how can it be? It's 2023, 2013. Suspension was in two
Yes,
thousand.
yes, yes. From
Suspend-
suspension, it's 1 year.
From suspensions 1 year.
Yes.
But why are you coming now?
My lord, we have preferred an appeal thereafter on 1/6/2017
Where is that?
under section 13B. My lord will find at page 34.
What happened to the appeal?
It's from 35. The appeal till today it's pending. No, my lord will find at page 45.
Your appeal is also 2017,
Yes, my lord will find the reference at page
after 4 years.
45, my lord. It's regarding the appeal. The joint director has written to the IS, my lord. Regarding the appeal, my lord.
Hmm?
Page 45, my lord. Yes, I accept that, my lord. There is some delay, but it was not on the part of the petitioner, my lord.
5 years of delay.
With reference to the subject cited above, I am directed to forward herewith a copy of appeal petition filed by Bolen Talukdar so and request you to take necessary action on the matter with an intimation to this directorate at earlier date. So joint director had issued a letter to the IS. Thereafter, my lord, the joint director from
Who will consider the appeal?
definitely the director, my lord.
Then why it was written to the inspector?
I don't know, my lord.
It's going to.
Inspector of Fiscal, your lordship, he will give the status report, your lordship, of this petitioner, your lordship.
Why?
That's why DAC, your lordship, to obtain the status report of that case related to that case, pertaining to that case, your lordship.
It doesn't say so.
Why director has given a direction to take necessary action to the IS wherein the appeal lies to him, my lord. He has to act it upon that,
So that is one thing.
my lord,
But the other thing is, this was in 2017.
my lord.
You're coming today in 2025.
Well, thereafter, I have preferred, no, my lord, there are some communication thereafter also. In 2018, there is communication also. My lord will find same, my lord, on 4th June 2018, my lord will find at page 51.
Detailed report.
We'll issue notice at this stage.
Yes, sir.
Heard, Mr.
BM Deka, my lord.
BM Dekha, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner is agreed with the order dated 23/2013, by which he has been imposed with the penalty of withholding 1 increment with cumulative effect without holding a departmental inquiry, as contemplated under the disciplinary and appeal rules. Stop. The learned counsel submits that although the petitioner submitted an appeal before the director, secondary education, but the same has not been considered till date. Aggrieve the petitioner before this school. Issue notice of motion returnable by 4 weeks. Speed as manner standing counsel. Secondary education accept notice on behalf of the person. One, two,
1, 2, 3, and 4.
3, and
There is a private respondent principal.
petitioner
has to
to
take
take steps for service of notice on respondent number 5 by registered court. Petitioner shall furnish with copies of all petition
5. 5 with
to the
principal.
learned standing counsel, secondary education within 2 days. List again after 4 weeks.
Much obliged, my lord.
Deeply obliged. Return number 4 weeks, no? Return for 4 weeks.
My lord, petitioner's application was rejected due to her obtained B.Ed degree in Hindi, known as Hindi section Pranger. which was not recognized by Director of Elementary Education, but same degree was recognized by the Director of Secondary Education, my lord.
Yes, what have you challenged? What have you challenged?
My lord,
What have you challenged?
my lord, I'm challenging the recruitment advisement, my lord.
Page number where? Show
Yes,
me.
my lord.
Page 19, Lord.
Page 16.
16.
16.
This is advertisement.
Okay, 19 is there, 19, 15 rule 3 is on page 19.
Yes, which one?
My recruitment notification was page 16 to 21, but the Hindi requirement of Hindi teacher is there on page 19.
Yes, page 19. Which portion? Show me, tell me.
My lord, kindly see rule 3, my lord.
Serial number 3.
CL number 3. not
Yes,
rule.
yes, my lord. Here required
Yes.
essential qualification and experience. Higher secondary, senior secondary, a graduate Hindi as one of the subjects from the UGC recognized university, to a diploma in elementary education by whatever name unknown, or bachelor of education or bachelor of elementary education. Bachelor of education, B.Ed. Or Parangat, Hindi section Parangat.
You are aggrieved. You are aggrieved by which portion of this advertisement?
Rule 15(3), my lord.
Yes, 15(3) is, this is not rule. This is serial number.
Serial number, my lord.
15(3) contains so many provisions. Which particular provision are you referring to?
It's a confused, Lord.
My lord, entire provision is there.
What do you mean entire provision?
Here, my lord, from right side, provision box number 3, my lord.
Yes, which one?
5% marks secured in diploma in elementary education or bachelor of education, examination, D.Ed, special education, B.Ed, special education.
Hmm.
Yeah.
This is marking weightage.
Yes, my lord.
So what is wrong in that?
My lord, petitioner has already a B.Ed degree, but their application was rejected, my lord.
I don't understand what you're saying also.
And to make it easier, Lordship, he has filed an recommendation annexes 4, page 25. That may be, Lordship can give a direction to the director to dispose of this as per law, Lordship. That will
No,
suffice.
I have not understood what his case is about, and why should I dispose it of?
His case is basically his qualification as Hindi Parangot law that is not been considered by the director of elimination in the present selection process, Lordship.
Is Hindi qualification of?
That's the Hindi section, that his regular degree Hindi section Parangat, that
Hmm.
has not been taken into consideration by the authority in this current Lordship recruitment process.
So what does the advertisement provide for? It does not include Hindi, Shiksha, Parangat, or what?
Here is a graduate with Hindi as one of the subject from the EDC recognized university. That is the Lordship essential qualification that is being given. Along with 2-year diploma in elementary education.
What is the qualification of the petitioner?
B.A. B.Ed.
BA, B.Ed
Yes, ma'am.
in Hindi.
in Hindi.
So BA Hindi is not qualified to apply for this job.
Now, my lord, as per advisement, he is qualified.
No, then why are you challenging this? Why are you questioning this?
They rejected my application, my lord. Document not verified. But they told us that Hindi Parangat is not treated as B.Ed degree. But same thing is treated equally by the secondary education, my lord. Here is the advisement, my lord.
Secondary education, there is a specific service tool, but in elementary, it is not recognized. We have followed NCT rules, NCT notification.
This is my lord already.
It doesn't recognize Parangat as the equivalent to B.Ed degree also. And here losses regarding this, there's an earlier losses where litigation was losses. A writ petition was filed, and this honorable court refused to interfere in this matter losses and kept the matter open to the authority losses to consider it or not.
What is this? What have you given?
Advisement of a high school teacher, my lord, recruitment of.
That is regarding
Where there is a Parangat is required, treated as a B.Ed degree.
that is regarding secondary education losses. The rules provide for that losses, but in suppose elementary concern, there is no rules.
Why should there be a distinction? Secondary and elementary?
Because we follow the NCT notification, NCT didn't recognize this Parangat as the equivalent to B.Ed degree losses. But secondary concern, it is, we have separate rules. In elementary, we follow the NCT notification losses.
There is a my lord already NCT order is annexed here.
When it is already rejected, then what is the point of
Annex 7, my lord.
considering,
Already-
directing the consideration of his representation?
This advertisement is of 26 December 2023.
Huh?
This advertisement is of 26 December 2023 lawsuit. It should have come earlier lawsuit before the honorable court if he agreed with this conditions lawsuit.
That is one thing. The other thing is,
Yes.
it has been rejected,
Yes,
correct?
yes, Your Honor.
You say that you follow the NCT norms. Then what is the point of referring,
Nothing remains. Lawsuit.
But
What-
NCT order is already annexed here.
what is the point of referring it to the director for disposing the representation?
Yes.
When they have already rejected
Yes.
it? No purpose will serve, be served. What was the last date?
2nd February,
Of which year?
2014.
Huh?
2024.
2024. You're coming now in 2025, September.
My lord, after filing repetition as per advisement of their
Your representation is also belated,
It's only 18th of July,
18th of July.
and that way it doesn't have any signature nor any
No,
nothing
no, no.
lawsuit regarding receipt.
they denied to do it, my lord. My lord, kindly see Annex 526.
What is the timeline given as per the advertisement? Last date and all that?
2011, 24. No? Huh? Page 17 lawsuit, lawsuit may stand on page 17.
Yes. Which
It is,
part?
Page 17, second point 8 lawsuits.
Huh?
Page 17, point number 8, eligible candidates shall apply online in the official website of DE Assam. That is so and so 10 a.m. on 2nd of January 2024 to 10 p.m. of 2nd of February 2024.
Hmm.
Almost 1 year gone by, 1.5 years gone by.
My lord, petitioner approach to the DE office in compliance of advisement data 7/7 to 25, my lord. Kindly see Annex 5, my lord. Page 26. There is a date and time for file their grievance, my lord. 18-19 July at 11 a.m. To 4 p.m. at conference hall.
And moreover, lordship, he has not annexed anything that department has rejected his claim, lordship. Para 7, lordship, may kindly peruse, lordship. That the director eliminated from government of Assam in compliance with the official notification dated so and so still not published my name for the post of Hindi teacher in upper primary school, though I have submitted my representation. There is no lordship. God department has not issued anything rejecting his claim, lordship, or her claim.
My lord, her name was still not published, my lord, for document verification, as per advisement dated 7/7/25, my lord.
See, pursuant to this notice at page 26, did you appear?
Yes, my lord, on 18 July.
How did you appear and what did you do?
My lord, she appeared before concerned authority with their representation, but denied to their entertainment.
Where is the representation?
My lord, page,
Disciplinary fired, page 25.
yes, my lord, page 25. Annex 4. They entered her name and mobile number, my lord, in their logbook.
You have submitted this representation
Yes, my lord.
before the director.
Yes, my lord.
She was not called for verification. When she found that her name is not included in that list for candidates, those who were called for verification, she went and submitted this representation, lordship.
No, this representation, no, yet if you come to annexure 5,
Yes,
this is a notice.
yes. This is the second paragraph, lordship. This is in regard many candidates are visiting the office of the undersigned with grievances of not finding their names in the verification list.
Exactly. That
And
is
she also
why,
found that her name was not included in the.
that is why she has
Yes,
come to
yes.
the office with this
Yes,
representation.
yes, that's
What
why-
has happened?
Yes.
You find out. And inform the court.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
If it is properly filed, that is no receipt, nothing is here, lordship.
They denied to sign it.
Heard, Mr.
J. Sahu, Jay Prakash Sahu.
J.P. Sahu,
Only J. Sahu.
J. Sahu,
Yes, sir.
learned counsel for the petitioner who submits that the petitioner who possess the qualification of Hindi Shikshan Parangat,
Yes, my lord.
which is equivalent to B.Ed degree, responded to the advertisement dash capital B dated 26/12/2023. Which was floated by the Office of the Director of Elementary Education, Assam, for filling up of 1750 vacancies of assistant teacher,
Hindi.
assistant or just Hindi teacher,
Hindi teacher, my lord.
comma, science teacher and Hindi teacher of upper primary schools. Stop, the petitioner applied for the post of Hindi teacher. Stop, despite being qualified and having applied for the post, as the petitioner did not find her name in the what list?
The verification list.
Verification list. The petitioner approached the Office of the Director of Elementary Education with her representation in terms of the notice dated 7/7/2025, bracket annexure 5. Stop, however, the office refused to accept. They refused to accept your representation.
Now they accepted, but I denied to sign on it.
But the office, while accepting the representation, did not give the acknowledgement to stop. When?
Next week,
Mr. SMT Chisti Lanet. All issue notice or what?
possibly can issue notice, that will be better.
Then you write like this, in view of above, issue notice of motion returnable by. We'll give a date next week.
Yes. Okay, after can you be, this is what we did. Lottery, can you give it on 17th?
My lord, they will publish merit list in the meantime of September. Final selection list.
What is the last date?
Verification is going on.
As per news channel, appointment letter was distributed on 10th October.
When as per NCT, she is not qualified.
No, my lord,
Ultimately,
NCT order is annexed here. No. Kindly see an NCT order.
No, at this stage, you'll get instructions.
Annexure
Yes.
729.
Mr. Chisti.
Yes.
By which time can you get the instruction? Today is
15th Lottery mechanic fix it on 15th of September.
returnable by 15th of September. Mr. SMT Chisti, Lanet Standing Council,
Elementary.
Elementary Education accepts notice on behalf of the
So 1 and
respondent,
2.
numbers 1 and 2. And Miss Devi, Lanet.
And NCT is the one of the vital respondents. They can clarify lottery whether
CGT accept notice on behalf of respondent numbers 3 and 4.
recognized or not.
Sorry?
Number 5. Respondent 5 NCT lottery.
Do they have the council?
ILM, yes, along is there lottery. I think whether copy was served or he,
5 and what?
I think he has not served any copy. He is
Okay,
named
sir.
not shown in the cause list lottery.
Copy, sir, my lord.
To whom?
Because standing counsel NCT, so he can clarify before the honorable court whether this particular parangon is recognized or not.
Where is your notice acknowledgement? How do you say you have served?
I along is there. No, serve it.
Clerk served already.
When did you serve?
My lord, I'm not sure. Clerk has been served before filing, my lord.
Then
Had
who-
it been served, their name would have been shown in the cause list. It is not shown.
No, normally there's an acknowledgement slip in out here
Yes.
if it's served.
Yes.
It is not even there. You are supposed to take care of all these things.
NCT party is there. Respondent number 5.
Give me the second copy. Is it acknowledgement is there? How you are able to file such kind of writ petition without serving copy? Or without even undertaking also? Hmm? The system of acknowledgement is not there.
Yes, is there notice should have, in the notice itself,
Oh.
their signatures should have been there.
No, NCT has not been served.
Yes, no, sir.
Elementary is there, then
And-
DSGI is there.
And the CJC is served.
Hmm.
Only 2 parties have been served.
Petitioner to serve notice to the respondent number 5 to the standing council NCTE and submitted the acknowledgement slip as proof of service within 2 days. Petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent numbers 6 and 7 required,
Not required.
not
Lordship.
required. At this stage, this notice to respondent number 6 and 7 is not being issued. Is found to be not necessary. List again on so and so. 15. Mr. SNT Chisti Lanet, standing council shall obtain instructions with regard to the representation submitted by the petitioner on 18/7/2025 by the next date. Next.
May it please your lordship. This matter is regarding the petitioner's retirement. Upon retirement, his pensionary and other benefits were not paid to him. And the contention of the respondent is that certain excess amount was paid to him during the period 2006 to 2025, amounting to rupees 1,98,000. And now they are demanding that we refund the amount back to them. However, as per the law settled by the Supreme Court and as per the OM dated 2022, that is not permissible. Now, the recent OM of 27/1/22, it states that for grade 3 and grade 4 employees, the recovery up to 3 lakhs is not permitted.
This excess amount has been paid. How? How has it paid?
Your lordship, during
Wrong fixation of pay.
Yes, lordship, fixation of during the fixation of pay scale, your lordship may directly come to paragraph 5.
You are retired already?
Yes, your lordship.
As on what, in what post?
As a head teacher, the Dikhola Sapori LP Lower Primary School, under the jurisdiction of Deputy Inspector of Schools, the Dhokwakhana.
So they have not withdrawn, they have not recovered this amount.
Yes, your
They are
lordship.
contemplating.
They have, there's internal communication where the block elementary education officer, he has written to the AG's office stating that the amount is sought to be recovered in installments from the petitioner. That your lordship would find at page 39, annexure 9.
Page?
Page 39, annexure 9, your lordship. The proposal for refund, it's provided, your lordship.
What does this mean?
Your lordship, what has happened is when the service book was sent to the Deputy Inspector of Schools, he, upon perusal of the records, he found that as per on 1/1/2016, if your lordship sees paragraph 5, second part, on 1/1/16, the pay of the petitioner was to be fixed at 9,370 instead of 9,530. And moreover, the basic last pay as last basic pay as on service book is rupees 4,83630, whereas it should have been 4,737. So their contention is that during the period 2006 to 2025, I was being paid certain amount which was above my pay scale. So that should be refunded. That is their contention.
No, this annexure 9, page 39. Recovery has already happened.
Annexure 9, your lordship, that is the communication from the BEO to AG's office. So
Yes.
until and unless the AG gives the clearance with regards to the GPF, only then the PPO will be issued by the director of pension. So now what has happened is that the AG is not releasing the GPF on this account, on account of this excess payment. So this is that letter, your lordship, from the block elementary education officer to the AG's office.
No, it says the subscriber GPF temporary advance.
Yes.
Continuous refunds
Yes.
reflect at the rate of rupees 2,000 installment per
Yes.
month, with effect from 5/16 to 9/20. Refunded 50 numbers of installment. instead of 20 installment against 40,000.
You-
What does it mean?
Initially, what had happened.
You have
was-
refunded?
No, there's no refund. Initially, what had happened was the BEO, he had submitted one proposal to the AG's office that your lordship will find just before your lordship, page 38, annexure 8. So that was rejected on certain grounds and a resubmission was sought. Upon that, this second proposal, that is why the word resubmission is used. Page 38, your lordship, annexure 8.
Yes, who's appearing?
My lord, I am for the elementary.
Hmm. Will issue notice at this stage?
My lord.
Art Mr.
C. Gogoi, your lordship.
C. Gogoi, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner, who retired as the head teacher of Digala Chapuri LP School, which is under the jurisdiction of Deputy Inspector of Schools,
Dhokwakhana.
Dhokokwana, in the district of Lakhimpur on 31/3/2025. Stop, although no liability certificate and service verification certificate was issued by the Block Elementary Education Officer, Dhokokwana, but on account of certain wrong fixation of pay, the respondent authorities concerned are contemplating recovery of excess payment amount of rupees 198,054. To stop, the learned counsel submits that excess payment has occurred on account of wrong fixation of pay, and for which the petitioner has no role. To stop, the petitioner therefore prays that pension and pensionary benefits may be paid to him without the contemplated recovery. Next para, issue notice of motion returnable by 4 weeks.
Your lordship, we have an interim prayer for release of pension amount.
Make it returnable by 3 weeks. Mr. Bora,
My lord, I am for
Planet Sunny Council appears for respondent numbers
1356 and
1356 and 7. And Ms. N. Fukan, K. Fukan, Planet Government Advocate appears for respondent number 4 and accepts notice. Mr. R. K. Talukdar, Learned Sunny Council AG Assam appears for accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 8. And Ms. R. M. Borwa, Learned Sunny Council Finance Department accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers 2 and 9. Notice is therefore complete. Next para, also issue notice on the interim prayer. Returnable by 3 weeks as well. The same shall be considered on the returnable date.
Obliged, your lordship.
Yes.
Back to your lordship, my lord. My lord, my friend is prepared to exist in this item, my lord. I just want to convey this to you. My lord, this matter reflects to non-issuance of certified copy of my father's school certificate, my lord. I just want to take your lordship to for Annexure 1, page 14. So this is the English translated type copy, my lord. The on next page 15, which is the original one, my lord. So I'm just reading the relevant portion for the lordship's kind convenience. Annexure 1, page 14. Sri Rama Shah, son of late Rameshwar Shah of village so and so, district Gwalpara, had studied in 881 number Gaurishankar Hindi LP school. His study was finished in his school on 31st December 1973. He passed class 3 from this school. During his study in this school, his character was good. His age was 11 years, 5 months, and 11 days as on 31st December 1973. So, my lord, during the period of 1960s, 1970s, 1980s, until 1986, my lord, the date of birth while delivering the school certificate as reflected in Annexure 1, the date of birth is not written. That was the president and in those days. Now, my lord, in the date of birth certificate, date is written. What happened, my lord, in this case? I applied to various departments, made various RTIs, by my lord, annexure, which I will not take your lordship's much available time. My lord, I have already passed the SSB selection, my lord, staff selection committee for the post of constable, general duty in the Central Reserve Police Force, my lord. And my lord, it has been including only my lord physical efficiency test, PAD, and my lord physical standard test and document verification is required, my lord.
No, what is your prayer here? What are you seeking?
My prayer, my lord, only because of I have not been granted PRC. For
PRC?
job purpose.
PRC means?
Permanent Resident Certificate. My lord, previously, the government of Assam, the PRC domicile was given. Now, my lord, that was stopped since 2012. I appreciate the government's this policy. I have got nothing to say on that.
No,
While
see,
PRC
just a minute. You have not mentioned anything about PRC. You come to your prayer portion.
Yeah.
In your prayer, you are asking for certified copy of school pass certificate of your father.
Yes, my lord. If that is given, my lord.
Now,
if
where is your father? Is he no more?
No, my lord. He is alive, my lord.
Then why he is not coming himself?
No, my lord.
Why are you applying for your father's certificate?
No, my lord. I have applied because I have selected for unless and until I do not get the PRC, I will not be appointed in any post, my lord. I have selected for the SSB.
That I have understood.
Yes.
That I have understood.
My lord.
In order to get PRC, you require your father's certificate.
Yes, my lord.
And you are the one who is asking for your father's certificate, not your father. Why does not he come himself?
No, my lord, the department has said you will have to issue. And that is why I have made a representation to the block elementary education officer, the inspector.
Supposing you have a son, you yourself, you want a certificate. You will not apply for your certificate, but your son will apply for your certificate like that.
No, my lord,
Then?
I'm not on that.
This is exactly what you're doing.
No, my lord.
You are praying for a certificate of your father. If your father is alive, let him come.
Refuse, my lord, that I will make a point before lordship. I'll bring it to your lordship, my lord.
I don't understand.
Why they have not given me the certificate? I'm telling you, my lord.
No, the applicant should be your father, not you.
Page
You
9,
have no role.
my lord, page 9.
You may want to use your father's certificate for getting PRC, but let your father come and claim.
My lord,
Let him ask for the certificate.
yes, my lord, only I want lordship's only 2 minutes fellow time. If a lordship want to hear me. Page 8, para 9. So I made an RTI application before the Public Information Officer, Director to Elementary Education, Assam, Kahlipura, seeking certain queries dated 18/2/2025.
Where is that?
Para 9, my lord, page 8. Page 8, para 9. There are so many annexure, call is minor, annexure 8, page 25. So, dear my lord, the school that my father studied, subsequently that was amalgamated to the other school by name and style under Mohanlal Sabasaria School, which was amalgamated in 2018. Only because, my lord, from the 1981 records are not available, that is the saying of the headmaster concerned, that is why they have refused to issue. Even I have made a complaint to the Delhi, my lord, that they have also said that they are bound to give the certificate. And in this regard, my lord, I am in this regard, my lord,
No, who has refused to issue certificate?
all the departments, my lord, headmaster. He is the main person, my lord. headmaster.
Why they have refused?
Because, my lord, there is no record available.
That if record is not available, then who will give the certificate then?
1981.
On what basis they will give it?
1981, previously that was most probably that was destroyed, my lord. I just want to place one of the charismatic judgment passed by the Honorable Supreme Court, my lord, which will cover my case. I just want to place this Jiggazara through her father versus Central Board of Secondary Education on 3rd June 2021. Air online 2021 SC 274. Page para 133. 133. I'm just giving it to your lordship, my lord, for lordship's kind perusal, my lord. Interesting fact, my lord. May I read it, my lord? I'm just reading out for lordship's convenience. The utility of certificates issued by the board is not confined to educational purposes anymore. They serve a social purpose today and are often used to cross-verify particulars like name and date of birth while applying for other government identity documents. They assume immense relevance while applying for and I'm on this point, my lord. If the PRC is not granted, my lord, I will lose everything. I will not be appointed any under central government jobs. I qualified, my lord, 4 central jobs.
Who will give you PRC?
My lord, certificate from the headmaster will be issued, my lord.
My lord,
And
deputy commissioner generally.
then, my
gives
lord,
the-
deputy commissioner.
And he has not made them a party only, my lord.
But I have, because deputy commissioner has not objected, my lord. Deputy
My lord, they
commissioner
have
has
not-
requested the
they
headmaster.
are the necessary
Let me
party.
say silent.
So let me say, let me finish my argument, then you are.
Let
Deputy
this-
commissioner
no,
first said to me,
Let this matter come before any other bench.
Right.
I'm not interested. Let this matter before any other bench
Right.
without me.
okay, my lord, I've got no objection.
All right.
Okay, it is your prerogative. I've got no objection.
May I please, your worship? Worship, in this petition, my lord, the petitioner praise pay protection and service continuation, my lord. Petitioner, my lord, initially appointed in the year 2013, my lord, in Bushaipatar LP School, my lord, and subsequently, my lord, in the year 2017, my lord, he was appointed as assistant teacher in Disham Kinar ME School, my lord. After that, my lord, he filed representation for pay protection and service continuation, my lord. That representation was forwarded by the district elementary education officer, my lord, Annexure 5, my lord, to the district elementary education officer, my lord. But till date, no action has been taken, my lord.
Pay protection.
Yes, my lord.
What does FR 22 provide for?
It is
Hmm?
for pay protection, my lord, and service continuation.
What is the service that you have, which you want to protect?
Lordship, initially I was appointed in the year 2013, my lord. Next year
As what?
as assistant teacher, my lord.
Goshi Pathar LP School,
Yes, my lord.
Gosai Pathar.
Yes.
Then
Then, my lord, I was applied for another job, my lord, assistant teacher in Dishamkinar ME school, my lord.
Mm.
Subsequently, I was appointed, my lord, in the year 2017. My lord. Thereafter, my lord, I filed representation, my lord, for pay protection and service continuation, my lord. Annexure 5 is the, my lord, forwarding letter, my lord. Annexure 5, page 16, my lord. District Elementary Education Officer, my lord, forwarded my representation to the Director of Elementary Education. Kahile pala bhai.
3/10/2018.
Yes, my lord.
When was that? Where's the annexure?
Annexure 5, my lord, page 16.
Yes. Mr. But Mr.
HL Ashram.
H.A. Laskar, learned counsel for the petitioner, who submits that the petitioner was appointed as assistant teacher in Gosai Pathar LP school under the Deputy Inspector of School, Dibrugarh, on 28/6/2013. Stop thereafter. On 12/9/2017, she was appointed as assistant teacher in Disam Kinar ME school under the District Elementary Education Officer, Dibrugarh. Why were you appointed in different place again? You resigned.
No, my lord, subsequently another
Why?
advisement was issued and I applied and selected, my lord. Initially, my lord, in LP school,
Why?
I was,
You are already appointed as a LP school teacher,
yes, my lord. Subsequently, in the ME school, my lord, another,
ME school. You're
Yes,
getting
ma'am.
higher pay.
yes, ma'am.
First off, he submits that the case of the petitioner is that the petitioner has sought for pay protection in terms of FR 22, and for which he submitted an application before the District Elementary Education Officer on 3/10/2018. No, that's wrong. And for which the District Elementary Education Officer, Dibrugarh, wrote to the Director of Elementary Education, Assam, for the needful. So however, as no steps have been taken, the petition is before this court. Issue notice, so motion returnable by 4 weeks. Ms. G. Pegul on it. Sunny Council. Elementary.
Yes,
Accepts notice on behalf of respondent members,
all the rest.
on behalf of all the respondents. Petition to furnish requisite copies of the petition to the Sunny Council within 2 days. List again after 4 weeks.
Most obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. Petitioner is seeking pensionary benefits. This is husband, madam. He was a teacher in the Tinsuke ME school. Now the school, was they were not receiving the salaries, so they had to approach this honorable court. And this honorable court, directed the payment of their salaries. And my lord, the matter was taken up to the Supreme Court by the state, my lord, the SLP was also dismissed. Now, my lord, in the meanwhile, after the writ petition was disposed of, my lord, the petitioner's husband died, my lord. My lord, and my lord, in harness, my lord, while still in service, my lord. Now, my lord, so far as my lord, the other petitioners, my lord, he had approached this on before along with other petitioners, my lord, who are receiving this current salaries. The areas are still awaited, my lord. There's a contempt case pending. Now, my lord, since the petitioner's husband expired, my lord, she is, my lord, she's paying for pension benefits, my lord, which has been, my lord, has not been paid so far. Lord,
Have you applied?
my lord,
Have you approached them?
my lord,
Response?
authorities, my lord, were not approached in that sense, my lord, but then, my lord,
Why don't you approach before coming to the court?
because my what has happened here is, my lord, the area salaries are pending, my lord, and there's, my lord, the contempt petition pending, my lord. Now, the issue that has not been resolved in this case, my lord, but then
And the contempt petition means what?
contempt was from, my lord, this order, my lord, page 40, my lord, Lordship will find the page, it starts at page 33, page 41 is the order, my lord. The operative part, my lord.
33.
It starts at 33, my lord, the earlier round of writ petition. What happened, my lord, they were,
Yes, who had filed these writ petitions?
my lord, about 29 petitioners, my lord,
Yes, and one
including
of,
the petitioner's husband, my lord.
okay,
He's-
for
he's-
what?
My lord, for, my lord, payment of their salaries.
Hmm.
Now, my lord, that, my lord, writ petition was allowed, my lord.
Hmm.
The question here was, my lord, whether the regularization was proper or not, my lord. This honorable court held that the regularization, my lord, whether it's proper or not, my lord, since they've been discharging their duties, they're entitled to their salaries.
Which para?
My lord, page 41, my lord. It starts from page 40, my lord. Paragraph 9. In Mamta Mahanti's, the apex court has held that it is a settled proposition that no person can be appointed even on a temporary ad hoc basis without inviting applications for eligible candidates. The same would not go to the meet the requirements of Article 14 and 16 of the Constitution of India. It is also held that a person employed in violation of these provisions is not entitled to any relief, including salary. If an order at an initial stage is bad in law, then all further proceedings consequent thereto must necessarily be non-est. Taking it further, the apex court have also held that if similarly situated persons have been granted some benefits, such order will not confer any legal right to others to get same relief. A caveat was also expressed that terminating the service of those who had been appointed illegally may not be desirable after a long period of has elapsed. The admitted facts is the petitioner herein was appointed by the managing committee of the respective schools, followed by regularization of the services, and by orders of the state respondents, and until today, each of them have rendered more than 15 years of service without break. The fact that they're working until this date is also reflected in the impugn order of the expert committee did so and so. Now, my lord, page 42, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, about my lord, 3 lines to the bottom, my lord, for first paragraph. However, regularizations, whether illegal or irregular, have been made in the way back in the year 1999. In terms of para 53 of Umadevi 3, the same are not required to be open. Having regard to the facts of the case and the observations made in para 52 of the Umadevi Supra, it would not lie in the mouth of the state respondents to say that since the petitioners had been appointed by the managing committee, such appointments are illegal and therefore they are not entitled to salary, more so when regularizations took place way back in 1999 and not have been disturbed until till date. The petitioners are indeed entitled to salary for the period they have worked. It is not in dispute their employment as on date. The issue remains as to from which date they can claim area salary. The issue has been decided by division bench, my lord. Then, my lord, finally, it was given, my lord, for 3 years prior to the, my lord, coming to the court, my lord. So from that period, they've been entitled to salaries, and accordingly, my lord, paragraph 43, page 43, paragraph 14. A direction is issued to the respondent authorities to take steps for payment of area salaries to the petitioners in terms of the case of so-and-so, and having regard to the date on which WPC number so-and-so is instituted, steps for payment of area salary will be completed in four months from today. Now, thereafter, the state filed a review application, madam. Page 56 is the order, madam. That was dismissed, madam. Page 64. I'll just read one paragraph. Under such circumstances, the question of leaving the state judgment and order is so-and-so does not arise in the factual circumstances of the case. Consequently, this court is opinion that the review petition is not maintainable, accordingly stands dismissed. Then, my lord, the state preferred an appeal. Page 66 is the order. That was also dismissed, my lord. Page 70 is its operative part. As a consequence, page 73, my lord. As a consequence, we find no infirmity in the impugned orders warranting such interference. The intra-court appeal thus fails and is dismissed and devoid of merit. Now, my lord, the state then goes to the Supreme Court, my lord. The SLP is dismissed, my lord. Now, in the meanwhile, page 75, the petitioner's has been expired, my lord. On, my lord, 13/3/2018, my lord, the judgment in the, my lord, by the Honorable Single Judge, my lord, was on, my lord, 3/3/2017. Now, my lord, the headmaster of the school had issued a working certificate showing, my lord, till his death he was working, my lord. Page 76.
He expired in 2018.
18, well.
Hmm.
This certificate was of 2023, my lord, but then it said that he died on 13/3/18, my lord. I have given the death certificate also, my lord. He expired in 2018, my lord. Now, my lord, so far as the other petitioners are concerned, my lord, who approached this honorable court, my lord, along with him,
So what happened to your area salaries?
area salaries, my lord, he has not been, my lord, paid so far.
Okay.
None of them has been paid, in fact.
And
That-
now
the
you
contempt
are,
petition is pending. Now, since her husband has, my lord, expired, my lord, she's paying for pension, my lord.
Hmm.
She'll be getting, she'll not, there's no question of her getting area salaries because her husband expired. My lord, this honorable court, my lord, in the, my lord, pursuant to the, my lord, since the contempt is pending, my lord, in that, my lord, they are, those who are working, they are receiving the current salaries out of the 29 petitioners, my lord, who had approached this honorable court in the filing the rate petition.
Hmm.
But since her husband is expired, there is no question of payment of various salaries. Let her notice. Others are getting their current salary, only this person has, her husband was expired, now she's claiming pension. So notice should go at this. And my learned friend is aware, my lord, so for the other petitioners are concerned, the area salary part, they, my lord, they have submitted this in process, my lord. It has not been paid.
not been paid.
Not been paid. No. But area, I'm not making any submission here because that's the part of the writ petition, where he was, her husband was a party in the contempt petition, well. So that's.
He expired while in service.
While in service, well.
He was, what was he working as?
He was an assistant teacher, well, in the Tinsukia ME school, well.
We'll stop, please, right? The petition, the husband of the petitioner who expired. On 13/3/2018 was working as an assistant teacher in Tinsukia ME school. And by filing this writ petition, the petitioner, who's the wife of the said employee, has sought for direction to the respondent authorities to release compassionate family pension and other retirement benefits to the petitioner. For the services rendered by her husband. Issue notice, motion returnable by 4 weeks. Mr. SMT Chisti, learned standing counsel,
Elementary.
elementary education,
One,
exception
three,
notice on behalf of
and
respondent
seven.
numbers
1, 3,
1, 3, 6, and 7. Miss K. Pukan, learned government advocate, accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers. Respondent number 4. Mr. A. Chaliha, learned standing counsel, finance department, accepts notice on behalf of respondent members 2 and 8. And Mr. S.K. Mehdi.
Anyway, party has
SK Mehdi, Learned Standing Council, AG Assam. APS for Respondent number 5. But he submits that it is not AG Assam, but the Director of Pensions who will deal with the matter. Next, petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon Respondent number 9 by registered post with AD due within 3 days. This again after 4 weeks.
4 weeks, Lordship.
Hmm.
Oblige, your Lordship.
Lordship, before my train starts, Respondent number 3, whether Lordship is necessary with my because it should not be the secondary education in my understanding, Lordship. He has made it secondary education. It should have been higher education. So amendment may be required. Huh? Respondent number 3.
Page 34.
Yes. What do you want to do? Amend it first or?
Secondary. Assassinate. Inquiry officer. After some time, my lord. There is some communication with the respondent number 3. So may clarify, my lord.
That's it. Here is the inquiry officer. That's it. Secretary of Government, secondary division, but the issue involves here is with higher
Education.
Okay, issue is with higher education,
Lordship.
but inquiry officer may have been appointed from some other department.
Then-
That's possible.
Yes.
Inquiry officer.
When? List on when?
My lord, after some time, my lord.
After some time? Okay. Time being.
Time being, my lord. 13 same, my lord. Same. After 13 same, my lord.
12, 13 time being. No, any more motion? No. Yes.
May I please, your lordship. No, designation is correct, my lord. There is some communication.
Okay, what is your case?
Case, my lord, the petitioners, my lord, he was appointed as lecturer, my lord, in 1994. And college was provincialized in 1998. And he was, my lord, finally, my lord, promoted as assistant professor, my lord, on 25/3/2012. Thereafter, my lord, he applied for NOC for higher studies, my lord, for PhD, my lord. It was granted by the Director of Higher Education. With the permission, my lord, they took admission and they completed PhD, my lord, in 2013. And thereafter, they submitted their PhD certificate, my lord. And after, my lord, completion of PhD, my lord, the department granted, my lord, 3 increments. And subsequently, my lord, their PhD was suspected, my lord, because, my lord, so many PhD degrees, my lord, were submitted before the department. So inquiry committee was constituted. And then, my lord, we were directed to appear. We appear along with all documents. And the process, my lord, from 2000, my lord, it was going on. Thereafter, my lord, show cause notice was issued. Then we replied. No action was taken.
Again, my lord, after 2 years, similar show cause notice was issued. Then, my lord, some teachers, my lord, approached this all court. And a series of writ petition has been filed challenging the proceeding, and this all court, my lord, stayed the proceeding, my lord. And after 1 year, my lord, another similar order has been issued, my lord. Annexure 18. Matter is sub judice, my lord, in so many writ petitions have been filed. Lordship.
This is only merely asking you to supply, to furnish a reply.
No.
To submit a reply show cause.
Again, this show cause, my lord, we have already submitted in 2014, my lord, 2024. Repetition of that show cause, my lord. And show cause 15/6/2024 has already been stayed by the sound court. I have given the order, my lord.
15/6. Show
Lordship.
cause. Where is that?
My lord, it was mentioned in Annexure 18, my lord, reference. It is not.
Not in this case, stayed in
It-
another case, different person, with different.
Different person.
Lordship. A series of cases, my lord, 56 teachers were noticed, my lord. Notices were issued to, my lord, altogether 56 teachers.
But this letter is written to you, isn't it?
Same, my lord.
And it refers to a letter dated 15/6.
15/6. 15/6, my lord, is at
15
page,
15/6 was also given to you.
lordship, page 42. Page 42.
May I not say one thing? That's so is
42.
Okay, this is a 24. This is the 24 is the second show cause notice on the same
50.
issue.
15/6/24. Date
Yes.
is below, my lord, 15/6/24.
Yes.
So, my lord, matter may be examined along with those series, my lord. The cause of action is same. And departmental proceeding, show cause notice, everything same, my lord.
This show cause was given to you.
Lordship,
You submitted your reply.
reply.
And again, one more show cause.
Yes, my lord.
Any proceeding drawn?
No. Therefore, my lord, this one could stay, my lord.
In different
Yes,
case, not
yes.
in this case, isn't it?
No, in different case.
No, what is the reason for staying the show cause?
My lord, because, my lord, since 2000, my lord, same thing is going on, my lord. We have already appeared thrice, my lord, for hearing.
Staying the show cause, that may not be the solution. What is to be done? What will happen?
Another similar issue also, Lordship has only honorable court has Lordship said the subsequent show cause notice that the proceeding started in the initial hearing that may be continued. This is the order. Because two show cause notice here also in other cases also. Say in two cases, this is the order also. The main contention is that the two show cause notice cannot be issued on the same charges. So honorable court said that previous initial show cause notice, they may proceed, there is no interference. But with the second show cause notice, since it's a similar, Lordship, similar issues, Lordship, so Lordship,
So what is the the contents of the show cause notice?
within 2 years, he has submitted the PhD thesis from taking admission. It cannot be Lordship.
No. That is the allegation.
Yes, allegation.
Now, as per the earlier show cause notice, what was said? Within 2 years. Then, in the second one at page 49, annexure 18,
Nothing, my lord.
but this again refers to 15/6/2024.
Yes,
Did you not submit a reply?
We have submitted, my lord.
Then why they have given you this again? Your reply was not accepted. Oh, what
There,
happened?
no action has been taken on that show cause.
But initial show cause is at page 35. This is the first show cause in 2020,
So proceeding is,
35.
page 35.
they have started proceeding, my lord, in 2020.
No, what is the reason for issuing show cause again and again?
So that should not have been so, Lordship. Honorable Court has paid the subsequent one, but it is direction was given that the initial one, that the Honorable Court has not interfered with that. So Lordship, that order may be first.
Which one should be maintained?
That initial, Lordship.
2020.
2020, that may be maintained because he has had reply also.
How many show cause
My
together?
lord,
On the same issue.
same issue.
Please write down. Questioning the PhD degree secured by the petitioner. The Director of Higher Education has issued a show cause notice to the petitioner on 26/6/2020, 15/6/2024, and 27/8/2025. Stop. According to the petitioner, although he has submitted his reply to the first two show cause notices, but yet again, a third show cause notice on the same subject was issued to him. Stop. The learned counsel also submits that
May I, the notice at page 39. Which is said to be Lordship here. It is said that, Lordship, it has connection with the initial notice of 26/6/2020. Initial notice. The Lordship, that initial proceeding may be continued, that may not be interfered with. And the other.
which is the initial proceeding.
Initial is the Lordship, 26/6/2020, page 35.
So this has a reference in page 39.
Page 39.
Where?
Page 39, page 40.
Yes.
A suppose notice was issued.
Okay. No, that's what. The learned counsel submits that similar notices were issued to a number of other persons. And this court had state the show cause notices. Next para, in view of above, issue notice, motion returnable by for which Mr. A.R. Hibilda,
Not.
Lanet Standing Counsel,
Or respondent number 1 and 2.
appears for the next accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers 1 and 2.
Not.
Anyone else?
No one.
Secondary.
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 Number 3 is the inquiry officer.
Lost.
This though, I think this will have to be by way of Vakalatnama.
I cannot appear for number of inquiry officers.
Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 3. Next para, from a perusal of the 3 show cause notice, it is seen that the subject matter of the show cause notice are all similar. And therefore it is not understood as to why three show cause notices have been issued separately. So it is therefore provided that proceeding in terms of the show cause notice dated 26/6/2020 may continue. But insofar as the other two show cause notices dated 15/6/2024 and 27/8/2025 are concerned, the same shall remain state till the next returnable date. List again after 4 weeks. The other case,
Same, my lord. 13 same, my lord. Date again. Date is also same.
only petition is different,
Only petition is different. What is the same?
similar order.
Oblige.
Order item 58.
Yes, we have filed the amended cost title
Lordship.
and steps.
Who is against? Huh?
AD card has not come back.
Well, the order is of, my lord, very old order, my lord.
Hmm?
And it was upheld by the division bench.
Order was upheld.
Lordship.
Which order?
The order, my lord, the violation of which order, my lord, we find contempt, my lord, the department preferred appeal. Then appeal has been dismissed.
What?
Then we file.
Hmm?
The order, my lord, page 9,
Page 9.
Lordship.
Yes, what happened to this?
This was not complied with, my lord. Relevant portion, my lord, page 20, my lord. Page 21.
Yes, please submit.
Not page 20, paragraph 21, my lord.
Hmm.
Being the matter in that prospective rejection of the candidature of the petitioners is considered to be wholly inequitable and therefore the writ petition is disposed of. Directing the respondent number to consider the appointment of the petitioner in so-and-so school or any other vacant post of a assistant teacher in any other school in the district of Barbeta within a period of 1 month from the date of receipt of the certified copy of the order.
Yes, so
Then my lord, against this, my lord,
Utility had to leave, huh? How utility allow this? Allow this. Lordship, here, Lordship, B Kosik, he is appearing for Asma today. He has not come to the court. He has some personal difficulty, Lordship. Anyway, I think it's actually, I think, nine.
Continue. What you want to say?
so, my lord, appointment has not been made till today, my lord.
Some appeal was filed.
The department prepared an appeal. Appeal was also dismissed. We
Where's
have,
that? Where's the order?
Order, my lord, in IA, my lord, 1205,
Yeah.
Lordship, 1205.
Is it listed?
It is not listed. No, no, disposal of this. It is disposal.
Yes, for what? Otherwise.
Lord, IA for implement, my lord.
Yes.
It was all allowed, my lord. There will be annexed everything, my lord.
It was implement and you have annexed the writ appeal
Writ appeal
order
order also. Because
Why?
that was also produced before the department, my lord.
Where is the order?
Page 8, my lord. It was decided on 17/2/2023.
Hmm. Then today, why is it listed? It's listed for orders today.
For implementation of the order, my lord.
No,
Last order.
that is the contempt is filed for implementation of the order. But it is listed under the orders column today for a specific reason. That is because you have implemented one respondent number 3
They have to, yes.
and for which you have taken steps. And if you read the office note, it says that till date, neither AD card nor unserved notice is received back.
No. Already, my lord, they appeared, my lord. Mr. Kaushik appeared for 2, my lord. Newly implemented respondent.
Respondent number 2.
So,
Lordship.
yes, B Kosik has appeared, Lordship, but today, due to his personal difficulty.
I'm talking about 3.
3 cut points.
3 to 9.
Narayan Kumar is number 3.
And that is, nor he has filed any amendment cost settle also, Lordship. So,
Yes. Secretary.
He's not bothered to look at the office note also. He's simply wasting time. Petitioner shall file the amended cost title within 1 week and also take fresh steps upon respondent number 3. List again after 3 weeks.
That's for them, it can put it one day.
Increase your lordship. In this matter, my lord, Mr. Yarvia will appear. He is on lag in another court, my lord. After some time, my lord.
This is the completion, service completion steps, your lordship.
After some
Your
time.
lordship, there is a direction given, your lordship, after completion of services, your lordship, to file affidavit. Dusty service mode was taken, your lordship, on the last occasion. So, your lordship, there is the order. A service report awaited. Yes, you're okay.
I mean, not record, my lord, in this case, my lord, but I have instructed that he is on lag, my lord. That's why I appear on behalf of him, my lord.
The clear instruction given, your lordship. They have taken, your lordship, for dusty mode, your lordship, and after completion of that, your lordship, there is a direction to file one affidavit, bringing on that records.
By which order?
Your lordship. Just- Your lordship, dated 24/2/2023. Petitioner shall take steps for service of notice Respondent 13 by registered post with AD by 27 to 2023, providing his proper and correct address with requisite postal stamp. In addition to the above, petitioner shall also take steps for service of notice on the Respondent number 13 by dusty or personal service to be routed through the registry of this poll. Such dusty personal service on the Respondent number 13 shall be made by serving a copy of the writ petition, including the annexures appended thereto, and by obtaining his signature and date in presence of one or more witnesses. Thereafter, petitioner shall file an affidavit towards completion of such dusty personal service of the said Respondent number 13.
This order which you just read,
27.
the direction was to take steps by registered post and also by Dusty.
Dusty.
Dusty has not been taken, but what about registered post? There's no indication.
Special steps, Lobolai.
My lord, in this regard, my lord, that can be clarified by Mr. A.R. Bhuya, my lord.
No, he will file it within 1 week, otherwise we'll dismiss it.
Oh.
That's all.
In any time.
First step, my lord.
Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon Respondent number 13 in terms of the order dated 24/2/2023 within a period of 1 week from today. List the matter again after 3 weeks.
I'm deeply obliged. 42 more years.
May it please your lordship, my lord, in this case, readings are complete, my lord. So this matter may come up for admission hearing, my lord.
Parties are represented by the respective councils and they
It's
submit
complete.
that readings are complete. And the matter may be listed for admission hearing. In view of above, is to list the matter for admission hearing after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by.
Date may be fixed, my lord.
Court registry will fix a date after 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
31, I am appealing for Respondent 1 lawsuits. Here the government has, by letter dated 4/9/25 lawsuit, by letter 12/8/25 lawsuit has requested the director to lawsuit submit an updated action taken report in this regard. So for compliance of this honorable court. So matter is under consideration lawsuit. May kindly grant us 3 weeks time lawsuit.
What was the direction?
Direction is at page number, my lord. It is started from
For
19, my lord.
consideration of the service of the petitioner.
Yes, my lord, within a time limit, my lord.
Page?
It was from 19, my lord. Bottom paragraph, my lord. May I read, my lord? 19, page number.
Yes.
May I read, my lord?
Yes.
Accordingly, the grievance as raised by the petitioner for having the recommendation of the district level scrutiny committee considered has already taken up by the respondent authorities, and accordingly, the present writ petition stand disposed of requiring the Director of Secondary Education Department Assam to place the recommendation as available in the matter of district level scrutiny committee along with all other requisite particulars before the state level scrutiny committee for its considerations, and thereafter the matter be proceeded strictly in accordance with the provisions of the Assam Education Provincialization of Services of Teachers and Organization of Educational Institutions Act 2017 as per the recommendation of the state level scrutiny committee. The above exercise as now required to be carried out by the authorities shall be so initiated and completed within a period of 6 months from today. That is the direction.
You want some time?
Madam.
Mr. S.M.T. Chisti, learned counsel appearing for the respondent. Who is respondent?
One.
Respondent number one submits that the process of compliance of the court's direction is in progress, and he prays that he may be granted 3 weeks' time to come back with the up-to-date status. Prayers allowed, list this matter again after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Wait, please, your lordships, my lord, 1 week time may be allowed to file affidavit, my lord. There is an order passed by this honorable court, my lord. 10/2/2025. Ready, my lord, but it is escaped my notice. That's why I won't be able to file. Only 1 week time may be allowed.
For Miss K. Devi, learned counsel for the applicant. The further 1 week time is granted to file additional affidavit
You're going to tell them, not today, Monday. It
in
is
terms of the order dated 10/2/2025.
obliged.
May I please, your lordship? Also, as per direction, which honorable lordship, I have taken both steps, lordship, Dusty and registered post lordship, but Dusty returned, lordship. He has not received the same, lordship. Refused to receive the same.
Number 4 was the writ petition award.
Lordship,
The respondent number 4
the headmaster,
was the headmaster.
yes, lordship.
Where is your Dusty?
Lordship, page 55, lordship. I have stated, lordship. In my affidavit, lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent 5, respondent number 5, on behalf of Mr. M.K. Kolita. Lordship, we have received the instruction and we will file affidavit. Kind 2 weeks time will be allowed.
Chief, I am appearing for respondent number 2, DSC, your lordship. Kindly our name will be reflected in the cause list.
DSC. DSC
Secondary education.
or DSC.
Kindly our name will be reflected in the cause list. The coffee should be served upon us. Coffee is
This should. This should. I wasn't in this.
You are supposed to serve notice by Dusty as well as the regular.
Yes, lordship.
The regular registered post you have taken?
As per my knowledge, he received, lordship, that registered post.
No, is there any office note in that
No,
regard?
no. There's no answer.
When did you
Right.
take steps? When did you take steps?
Lordship, on I vote to pay, sir.
My fees are being.
What's about 17.7 Lordship?
When?
17.7 zone.
He took steps on 17.7.
Yes, Lordship.
What is your good name?
GG Gogoi.
Mr. Mr. G.G. Gogoi, learned counsel for the review petitioner, submits that the petitioner took steps for service of notice upon respondent number 4 by registered post along with AD, as well as by way of Dasti through the registry. Stop. He submits that neither AD card nor unserved notice is returned back, and that in respect of Dasti service, the respondent number 4 has refused to accept the notice. Stop considering the submission. Office to track the postal consignment of the notice sent to respondent number 4 on 22/7/2025 and to put up a note by the next date. Stop next para, as paid for by Miss N.
M. Teron.
M. Teron P. Given writing, who appears on behalf of Mr. B. Kaushik to B. Kaushik. I'm sorry, on behalf of Mr. N.K. Kolita, learned counsel for respondent, counsel for
Respondent number 5.
learned counsel for respondent number 5. 2 weeks' time is granted to file objection. List the matter again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry by showing SC, what is that?
Secondary education.
Secondary education in the cost list. Okay.
Keep your list. 34. Number 2.
My lord, the respondent 6, my lord, newly included party respondent, my lord, and we have taken step upon respondent number 6.
AD card has come back.
Appear also, no? 6. My lord appeared, my lord. As fast as appeared.
Yes.
Yes. We have received the communication here.
What is this communication? Speaking order.
Director has forwarded the communication from the Mizoram University for doing the needful for pro rata pension to the respondent number 1. That is secretary.
Order is complied with.
Not complied with, we have already forwarded to the. Forwarded, my lord.
What was the direction?
Yes, my lord, kindly see. Wait, let's see, respondent number 1 will have to appear, let's see. Because respondent 1 has not been. My lord, at page 14, paragraph 5, my lord. Considering the short issue involved, this writ petition is disposed of directing the Director of Higher Education Assam to consider and take a call on the letter dated 5/6/2024 written by the Joint Registrar of the Mizoram University within a period of 1 month from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order of this court, my lord. And my lord, that communication is at page 16, Annexure B. This is addressed to the Director of Higher Education by Joint Registrar, Mizoram University, for permanent absorption of Professor Sarangador Boral, Department of English and Cultural Studies, Mizoram University.
And my lord, and my lord, Secretary of the Gupta of Assam Higher Education is made party respondent as respondent number 1. in the
So
contempt.
Director of Higher Education has not taken a decision.
No, Lordship, taken decision. This is the decision taken by the higher education.
What does it say?
Penultimate paragraph, Lordship. It is the penultimate paragraph of the speaking order.
Answer the point, please. Communication.
The Lordship, in the honorable court's order, direction was to take a call on the letter of the Mizoram University.
Then
So director has taken Lordship, look into it, verified and examined it, then thereafter forwarded to the government of Assam secretary. That's it for doing the rest of the part, because that party is not with the. And
when did he forward?
it was forwarded on June. 10/6/2020.
Hmm?
In the speaking order, it's there.
Peruse the record, it is found that the directorate on so and so send a proposal. Again, this directorate forwarded the said communication on so and so to the secretary. Yes, so
My lord, Secretary to the Gupta of Assam Higher Education Department has been made party respondent as respondent number 1, my lord, and we have taken steps twice, my lord, but nobody appeared, my lord.
2 weeks time may be granted in the instruction from the respondent number 1 also, because we had not received the wakalatnama yet also.
We have taken step for twice, my lord.
Yes, it is service is also complete, but due to some communication gap, we have not received.
Secretary Higher Education,
Yes, my lord.
respondent number
1, my lord.
1.
1.
How can he be 1?
Additional
6 was impleted,
Impleted.
director.
in place of my lord, the respondent number 2, my lord.
When was it impleted?
My lord, last order. Lord, on 23rd of July 2025, my lord.
No, that was director, not secretary.
No, my lord, director is newly impleted in place of my lord, is respondent number 2, my lord.
Who is respondent number 2?
My lord, the earlier director of higher education.
Oh, earlier director replaced by new director,
Yes,
that's
my-
all.
Yes, my-
Now, if you see the speaking order,
Yes.
speaking order says that the letter was forwarded. Directorate has forwarded the matter to the secretary, Assam Higher Education Department,
yes,
because regarding pro rata pension, it is that department to, it
Yes.
is the government to
Yes.
deal with it.
yes,
So this secretary is a party or not?
yes, my lord.
Which party? Which is respond number?
My lord, they are respondent number 1, my lord, in the contempt petition.
Who is appearing for?
Lordship, we have received the notice, that's it.
You are for which party?
I am for respondent number 6.
Who is appearing for 1?
1, Lordship, because of communication gap, we didn't receive the over telephone. Over telephone, just now we have confirmed that we have received the notice, Lordship. But wakalatnama has not been sent to us, so Lordship.
You will be appearing.
Now, let's say 2 weeks time will be granted.
Are you going to appear or somebody else will appear?
Yes, we will appear.
Say that, as simple as that. Respondent number 6, you are appearing. Mr. P. Das appears for respondent number 6 and accordingly notice, S. Das. And accordingly notice on respondent number 6 is complete. Speaking order dated 22/8/2025 issued by the Director of Higher Education, Assam, has been produced by Mr. A.R. Tahibillah and submits that this Director of Higher Education has taken a decision in terms of the court's direction. Dated 19/12/2024 in WPC number 6877 of 2024. Stop. The director has stated that since matter regarding pro rata pension is to be dealt with by the government, the same has been forwarded to the Secretary to the Government of Assam Higher Education Department on 10/6/2025. To stop, the Secretary to the Government of Assam Higher Education Department is respondent number 1. And today, Mr. A.R. Tahvildar prays for 2 weeks' time
To obtain instruction.
to obtain instructions from respondent number 1. He also submits that he'll be filing his power within the given time. In view of above, list this matter again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registrar.
My lord, that may be fixed, my lord.
They'll fix a date, 2 weeks.
How like that?
May I please, Your Lord?
Yes.
My lord, it is, my lord, review application. My lord, this review application is based on, my lord, the ground that, my lord. But there are, my lord, the fact of the case is, my lord, in very, my lord, briefly. My lord, in brief is that, my lord, the petitioners were, my lord, my lord, promoted from grade 4 post to grade 3 post, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, there has been, my lord, demoted against to their, my lord, grade 4 post and, my lord, without servicing, my lord, without serving any notice, my lord. That is the, my lord, case wherein, my lord. The some other similarly situated case also in this case has approached before the honorable court, my lord. And my lord, this honorable court has, my lord, set aside the, my lord, impugned reversion order. But in our case, my lord, that the impugned reversion has not been set aside or quashed. My lord will file, and thereafter, my lord, after that order, my lord, some, my lord, the other batch of petitioners, my lord, thereafter again approach to the honorable court. And honorable court says, my lord, that the my lord, order which has been passed by way of setting aside the impugned reversion order is a judgment in, my lord, rem, not in personam. And also given the observation that, my lord, that the order, my lord, by which the impugned reversion order was setting aside is applicable to the all three, my lord, all, my lord, the 53 numbers of employees, my lord, by virtue of a common order. My lord, they are, by which order, my lord, their services has been demoted, my lord. So, my lord, prima facie, my lord, that is, my lord, some distinction. My lord, will find this page, what, lordship may kindly.
Just a minute, okay?
My lord.
Let me understand the case.
Okay, DD teacher, order to open blood pressure. Protection. No, protection order, our department, department. 123, it's 142.
So who is before this court in review?
Malat, with Malat, petitioner number 5 and 8, Malat,
Petition number 5.
5 and 8.
Why you have come for review?
Malat, that I'm making the affirmation, Malat, that
Who's petition number 5? The name?
Mosruf Khan.
Mosruf Khan is the review petitioner.
Yes, Malat. Mosruf Khan and Malat Sukumal Nomodas.
2 of them.
Malat, 2 of them. I'm making the affirmation in my review petition, Malat.
5 and 8.
8, Malat.
Why have you come for review?
Malat hearing Malat that review Malat the Malat that petitioners were Malat reverted back to the original post Malat by way of a common order Malat.
Yes.
53 employees name were there in the reversion order Malat. Other employees also Malat similarly situated employees have Malat approached this honorable court, and honorable court has Malat set aside their impugned reversion order Malat on the ground that notice has not been served. Thereafter Malat again Malat the remaining some employee again Malat after passing of that order Malat by which Malat the reversion order was setting aside. Malat approach to the honorable court. Honorable court has given a direction, Malat, that the order by which the Malat impugned reversion order was set aside, that is a judgment in Malat rem, not in personam, and very specifically given the observation that Malat that order is applicable to Malat the entire 53 numbers of employee. And thereafter, Malat department has also taken initiative, Malat. They are promoting those Malat employees whose Malat order impugned reversion order was set aside. Department also promoting Malat. And as on date, the process of promotion is Malat going on. Because some review petition has been filed, Malat, where Malat the impugned Malat that order Malat, whereby the Malat the impugned setting Malat reversion order was setting aside. The honorable court has not given the observation that after the as a natural consequence, after Malat setting aside the impugned reversion order, petitioners are entitled to hold the Malat promotional post. That observation was not there. Thereafter, Malat review petitions were filed by all those petitioners, and thereafter, honorable court has given the direction that the Malat the impugned reversion order was set aside. Thereby, Malat they are entitled to hold their Malat their promotional post. Thereafter, Malat department is Malat promoting those persons, Malat in persons to whom this Malat order were passed. That is the Malat fact of the case. The Malat that very specifically, but the honorable court says Malat there is a person judgment is in Malat is in Malat it is a judgment in rem, not in personam, and has given the observation that it is applicable to all 53 number employee Malat. Malat will that 121 that lordship will file the relevant portion Malat.
So how many writ petitions were filed? One is WPC
Our
One-
petition is
1328.
yes, Malat.
So 1328, the direction was that,
Malat, we are not the petitioners in the 128 Malat.
I know,
Yes, Malat.
you're not the petitioner, but you have been made to be covered
Yes,
by
yes,
that
yes,
case.
yes, Malat is correct. There, our petition is Malat, that 3713/2018. And thereafter, Malat, the other writ petitions, the lordship will find the detail.
See, your writ petition was disposed of in terms of the order passed in that WPC number 1328.
Malat.
Now, today you're saying that there was another writ petition,
A series of writ petitions.
a series of writ petition wherein the principles of natural justice has not been
Yes, yes, yes,
complied with.
Yes, yes.
So the reversion has been set aside.
Malat,
So you are now relying upon that
Malat,
you also should be given similar order,
similar to Malat.
not a similar order like WPC number 1328.
Yes, yes, Malat. That Malat, in that Malat, in our writ petition also, Malat, in the prayer portion, the prayer.
Where
was-
is that order? Where is that order? Show me.
Malat, which one, Malat?
The one which you now are seeking review for.
My lord, on lordship will file on.
On the basis of which you are seeking review?
102, my lord,
102.
102. That my lord is correct, that has observation is given that it is, my lord, covered by the 1328, my lord. And thereafter, in terms of that particular order, my lord, that has been. my
This
lord.
is what, 3713?
Yes, yes, my lord.
By the same court?
My lord? No, my lord.
By this court?
Yes, my lord. This is that is passed by this court, my lord. And 13, my lord, 28 is, my lord, passed by some other court. So, my lord, may I make a submission, my lord? My lord, so far as, my lord, this, the process of promotion of my lord, those, my lord, employees by virtue of common order, which has been, my lord, reverted back, the process of, my lord, the promotion is still going on. So if, my lord, let them get the instruction, my lord, what is the situation if now, and if any department.
This has come for the first time.
My lord, this
Yes,
is proceed.
Now, one thing is that you are seeking review of an order passed
My
in
lord.
the year 2018,
Yes,
My
Lord.
lord.
Yes, Lord.
in the year
Yes, no,
2025.
there is some delay and I'm, my lord, explaining the
Now-
delays, my lord. My lord, still just for a moment, I would like to draw.
7 years delay, where you explained it?
My lord, lordship may kindly just for a moment, my lord. Turn the page, my lord, 142. My lord's got it. This is the order, my lord. That, my lord, is still the process. Some petitioners are, my lord, filing some review petitions. Their order has been reviewed, my lord. And the process of promotion is still going on. This order is passed in, my lord, that in compliance of the honorable court dated so and so and passed review petition number so and so so and so.
This is not legible.
My lord, it is on passed on, my lord, 2024, my lord. 24/7/2024. Let them get the instruction, my
Almost
lord, is.
1 year before, Lordship.
This is not legible. You should have
Yes, Lordship.
put a legible copy. We cannot read it.
My lord, type copy is there, my lord. Type copy is there, my lord, page 139. In compliance of the order honorable High Court dated so and so passed in review petition number so and so order dated so and so passed in WBC number so and so.
Yes, which is that review? Whose case is this? Review petition number so and so.
Review petition, my lord, filed by the some other similarly situated candidate, my lord. I am also annexing that review order, my lord. That my lord will find on page 130, that is 94/2000. 94/2020. my lord. Thereafter thereafter also, my lord, another petition,
Anyway, you tell me now, what is the order which you're relying upon as on today? Which order you're relying upon?
My lord, I am relying upon the order that is, my lord, passed in writ petition number. That is on 1111, my lord,
102?
page 1111,
774.
774,
2017.
2017. And, my lord, there is a series of cases are there in that case. Before writ petitions are there.
Relevant, paragraph 10. Page 119.
Yes, my lord, page 119. In view of the above, the court is of the opinion that the present petition can be distinguished from the above because this is accordingly present petition allowed by setting aside the impending revision order. That so and so, however, liberty is granted to, my lord, the state respondent to take appropriate action in terms of the relevant routes and decisions rendered by this court, if so applies. Therefore, my lord, another 7/8, page 120, my lord. Page 121, that is another judgment, 7838, my lord. The relevant 123, my lord, page, and the relevant paragraph is 2, 3, 4. May I read this, my lord?
It was set aside
Yes,
on the ground of principles of violation of principles of natural justice.
yes, my lord.
But liberty was granted.
Yes, my lord.
to take necessary action in terms of relevant rules.
Yes, yes.
Correct?
Yes, my lord.
Then what happened after that?
Thereafter, my lord, they have, my lord, under another, my lord, read petition. Thereafter, my lord, they have been, my lord, promoted to their original post. They have filed any review, my lord, that my lord will find
They filed review?
review 94. Because, my lord, in that that order which I
No,
have-
no, no. See, this particular case.
Yes, my lord.
Which you are relying upon.
Yes, yes, yes.
At page 117.
Yes, yes.
Case number is WPC 774.
Yes, yes,
I
my lord.
think.
Yes.
The court said that the principles of natural justice is violated. So reversion is set aside.
Yes, yes.
But liberty is granted to proceed in accordance with law.
Yes. My lord, they have not served.
So thereafter, what happened?
My lord, the department has not served any, my lord, notice, and my lord, that person has not been initiated. Instead, my lord, some of the petitioners were promoted to the, my lord, to their original, to the promotional post. That my lord will find the order on page, my lord, page.
What is the question of promoting them again when the order is set aside?
This order said, my lord, that in a subsequent review filed by the, my lord, same petitioners,
No, review, why? Why should they file review?
my lord, review this file because, my lord, in the order which I have referred, my lord, your lordship has just gone through, the observation was not there that, my lord, as
The
a
order was in their favor. So why should they file review in the first place?
my lord, as per their contention, my lord, in that order, my lord, that observation was not there, that, my lord, as a natural consequence, it has been directed to set aside their impugn reversion order, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, that the observation was not given that as a, my lord, natural consequence of the, my lord, setting aside of the impugn reversion order, the petitioners are entitled to hold their promotional post, my lord. That, my lord, portion has been added by way of review, my lord. And just for a moment, my lord, another read petition is there, my lord.
Yes, Mr.
I have to take instruction whether it is similarly situated matter or now what is the position 2018 matter lordship. Now it is 2025 lordship. And kindly fix after 2 weeks lordship. I will call the instruction lordship as well as the present position of the.
Heard Mr.
BK Dasman.
BK Das, Learned Counsel for the review petition. This review petition, the petitioner seeks review of the judgment dated 11/7/2018. Passed in WPC number 3713 of 2018. Wherein the instant review petitioners were petitioner number
Petition of 5 and 8, my lord.
5 and 8. Issue notice turnable by 2 weeks. Mr.
J.K. Goswami.
Goswami,
Senior Standing Counsel, element, senior,
Senior Standing Counsel,
Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department. lord.
H and Veterinary Department, accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers
1 to 8, all the respondent, 1 to 8.
1 to 8. And submits that he will obtain instructions in this regard by the next date. In view of above, this is the matter again after 2 weeks on a day to expect registry.
The order lordship. I have already served a copy to my learned
Right.
friend, and she has taken instruction from a senior lordship.
Lordship,
Yes.
furnish us a copy of a compliance order.
So it can be closed?
Yes, sir. So we don't have any objections.
Okay.
Now they have to challenge. It is going
Mr.
to the petition.
SMT Chisti Learned
1, 2, 3
Counsel
and 4.
appearing for respondent numbers 1, 2,
3 and 4. lordship.
3 and 4 submits that the order of this court has been complied with. In support of his submission, the Learned Counsel has produced copy of the order dated 25/4/2024. Passed by the Secretary to the Government of Assam. School Education Department. Of the learned counsel for the petitioner. Miss, what's your good name?
M. Sharma, on behalf of RC Saikia.
M. Sharma. Appearing on behalf of Mr. R.C. Saikia. Submits that. No, agrees with the submission. In view of above, the contempt petition stands closed. The order dated 25/4/2024, produced by Mr. S.M.P. Chisti, shall be retained on the record and marked as its further indication. Yes.
Obliged.
I also dispose of in view of the order passed today, the contempt, I also still dispose of.
Lordship, as per my knowledge, service is completed. So let the matter be taken up for admission, Lordship.
Upon perusal of the office, Lawazima Court's order dated 31/7/2025. Notice upon respondent number 5 is accepted to be complete.
And the date,
Stop office to list the matter for under the admission column after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by it.
In this matter, we file an objection to the IA lordship today, my lord. Same is not on record, my lord. May I pay for taking up some other day, lordship? I start the copy to them also.
Mr.
H. Rahman, lordship.
Is Rahman, learned counsel
Respondent
for
number
the
two, lordship.
respondent number 4.
Yes, sir.
Submits that he has filed objection to the IA today. Stop, since the objection is not available on record, the registry to verify and connect the same to the record and list the matter. When?
Lordship for, thereafter, lordship.
After a week on a date to be fixed by.
Lordship, Tuesday.
Hmm?
Tuesday.
What is the hurry? After 1 week.
I'm like that.
This application is pursuant to order dated 15/5. I took leave to file amendment petition, my lord, that I have annexed at page 21, my lord. And accordingly, I have filed this IA, my lord. What has happened initially, my lord, I was not aware about the appointment order of respondent number 7, my lord. It is only after they have filed affidavit in opposition that I have come to know, my lord.
Okay, what is the amendment that you're seeking?
Lordship will find the amendment relating to the challenging the appointment order of the respondent number 7, my lord, page 12, my lord. This has come to my knowledge after filing of the affidavit in opposition.
Okay, now have you demonstrated in what manner you want to amend?
Lordship, paragraph 1, my lord, I have detailed.
Next time you should put the proposed amendment in italics so that we know what is what.
Yes.
You're pleading and what is amendment sought for, it should be in italics so
Yes.
that we can distinguish.
Yes.
Now,
Prior portion here, I have given in paragraph 3, my lord, as 1, 2, 3, my lord. Setting aside the state appointment order.
so prayer will be added,
Yes, my lord.
3-1.
Yes.
But what about the pleadings?
In the titles, in the cost title, my lord, this appointment order will come, my lord. Appointment order of the.
So that you have to demonstrate in your application that it should be amended in the following manner by adding so and so. You should give a sample of your amendment. On seeing that, only court will allow. Today we just allow like that and you will put whatever you want in your amendment. That
Yes.
cannot be permitted. That cannot be permitted.
Paragraph 1, I have given explanation.
No, explanation is not what I'm what.
Yes, I understand.
Explanation, of course, there should be there because some developments have taken place. I've discovered that there's an appointment order, so I need to.
Under quotation, it has to be.
Under quotation, you have to give that this is how I want to put in my writ petition. As
Yes, ma'am.
paragraph number so, prayer number so and so.
Yes, ma'am.
On seeing that, we'll allow. Otherwise, if we just say allowed, then tomorrow you will file amended writ petition in whatever way you want.
Then
That
next,
cannot be permitted.
Lordship may allow for that. I'll take care of next time. my lord.
No, you file a. You file a fresh application. You withdraw this and file a fresh one.
Yes.
As paid for by the learned counsel for the applicant, the application stands with disposed of as withdrawn with liberty to file a fresh application. Incorporating the manner in which the amendment is being sought for.
Yes. Later date be fixed, my lord, after vacation. Date may be fixed, my lord, date.
No, you file first. You don't, when,
Yeah, okay.
only whenever you file, it will be taken up. Yes.
Lordship. Lordship, today is Lordship for consideration of my interim prayer, Lordship. In this case, Lordship, the Treasury officer has stopped my family pension. Although Treasury officer has no power, Lordship, it is the Director of Pension. Impin order, Lordship, will find at page 30.
No, let us be worried first with the notice.
Notice, Lordship, private respondent has already appeared. And
Who?
the
I am for respondent 6, but Lazama report is here, respondent.
respondent number 5 is not a necessary party, is the bank where petitioner account is there, Lordship.
Take steps upon the respondent 5.
Bank is not a necessary party. But if necessary, Lordship, I will take steps on respondent number 5. Otherwise, it's not a necessary.
Lazama report 49 to 25. 49. I also need my 3 time to file affidavit my lord in this regard.
You are for number 5.
I am for
6, Lord.
You are for 6.
Yes.
Private respondent.
6 private respondent. What is the controversy?
Controversy is Lordship, petitioner is the wife and Lordship respondent number 6 is the first wife, divorced first wife. Now Lordship, after getting family pension, respondent number 6 made a complaint to the Treasury officer that Lordship, an unknown person has filed, got family pension. On that basis, the Treasury officer has stopped, although he has no power to stop. And also, he also forwarded application to the Director of Pension to inquire into that. Director of Pension has is inquiring, but till date, no decision has been arrived also.
Yeah, my lord. The respondent private representation is the first wife, my lord.
Divorce first.
No. That is the ready-made documents which has been made by the respondent, my lord, petition here, my lord. Here, my lord, he is pursuing the matter for pension. In the meantime, she got a news from information from the Treasury as well as my lord, Director of Pension that the SBCI as well as some pensioner benefit has already been withdrawn by the petitioner, my lord, who is the second wife, my lord. So then she came to know about the divorce, which has been.
So you file your counter then?
Yes. I am filing it. In this regard, my lord, another petition is also pending on the same issue, my lord, which has been filed by my lord, respondent 6, WBC number 2559 of 2025.
2559 of
2025.
2025.
25.
What is the stage of this case?
Yes, my lord, here also notice has been issued and on the other hand, observation was also made that pendency of the repetition shall not be barred. Here, my lord, as per.
No, when was it issued notice?
Notice was not issued, my lord.
Which was filed first?
16/5/2020.
16/5.
Yes, my lord. 16/5/2020.
This one, in this case, on 14/5. Yours is 16/5. Both of you have filed. So we'll club it together.
Yes.
Okay, Lauzima court's order dated 4/9/2025
Report has been submitted by the inspector.
indicates that notice has not been served upon respondent number 5. But served on respondent number 6. So today, Mr.
B. Raman.
B. Rahman, learned counsel, appears for respondent number 6 and submits that he may be given 2 weeks time to file his counter affidavit. So he also submits that respondent number 6 has filed WPC number 2559 of 2025 on the same subject. And the same may be clubbed together with this case. Next, considering the above, petitioner to take, how will you take steps?
Ordinary steps as well as lordship, as well as dusty lordship.
Respondent number 5 shall take fresh steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 5 by registered post with daily due within 3 working days. Stop petition is also permitted to serve respondent number 5 by way of Dasti through the registry of this code within 10 days from today, and thereafter file an affidavit as proof of service. List this matter again after 2 weeks or 3 weeks.
After
3 weeks on a
Date may be picked.
on a date to be fixed by the registry, along with WPC number 2559 of 2025.
High level.
Obliged.
Miller. It's regarding item number 3839. We have filed an IA, Miller. Miller, the matter is very urgent, Miller. So Miller, the matter may come up next Wednesday, Miller.
38,
Several
39.
dates have been given, Miller,
What is the order I pass? What order do you-
after 1 week. So Miller,
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
the Guwahati University. Only that date, Miller, on
You want a
Wednesday.
date, Wednesday,
Wednesday.
make it Wednesday then. On 10,
Most of them. I'll inform the others.
please do that.
May I be a lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, the petitioner before lordship was appointed as assistant teacher, lordship, in primary school, my lord, in the year 1994 and 99, my lord. Thereafter, they start drawing the regular salary and all, my lord. Service week also open, my lord. Gratuity, provident fund, the content, my lord.
May come immediately after vacation for hearing, madam.
Yes, madam.
When did you file? Office note says no affidavit.
Fourteen.
Hmm?
Fine, please, we have filed on minor. So number 1 minor.
Respondent number 1 file, of course, in 31/7/2023.
Minor.
Long time.
18 June minor 2023 minor.
18 June 23.
23 minor. Page 166.
Affidavit file, lordship, we also replied also, my lord.
They also got reply minor.
Then why there's an office note of 3/9/25? No affidavit of position received by the section till today. Hmm? See, how come? I think there's some mistake here. This is regarding rejoinder affidavit, not affidavit of position. Have you filed rejoinder affidavit?
Minor, they have filed minor.
Huh?
The 8/10/2024 minor. Affidavit in reply. আপনার affidavit তো দাম হয়েছে না। তারপরে দেখতে কি দাম affidavit। Reply।
So what to do? We'll fix it.
He wants time, one of the.
No, no, as pleadings has already been completed, my lord.
Ah.
Matter may fix for hearing, my lord.
My lord, subject to your lordship convenience on date may be fixed, my lord, because my lord.
There is some confusion here. The office note says affidavit filed, opposition filed, reply also filed. But then there's two court order which says that rejoinder is ready, will be filed. Then another order thereafter saying the rejoinder will be filed. Please write down, although the order dated 16/9/2024 and 18/9/2024 speaks otherwise, comma, the parties submit that pleadings have already been exchanged by the parties. To stop, they also submit that the matter may be posted for admission hearing on a convenient date. In view of above and as paid for, when do you want it?
My lord, subject to your lordship convenience date may be fixed, my lord. It's my humble prayer, your lordship, because my lord, they're without salary, my lord, they last more than decade, my lord. So.
Give a date after the vacation.
Fixed, date may be fixed.
Oh, 16/10 of
Obliged.
2025 for admission hearing.
16/10 admission hearing.
May please, your lordship. My lord, the matter relates to my lord, the nomination of president of the my lord, school management and development committee, my lord. Here, lordship will find page 23, my lord.
It's completed.
But my lord, the terms of the my lord's school management and development committee is 3 years, my lord. From the date of my lord first meeting, my lord, it will be expired, my lord.
When?
My lord, I think though, my lord, there is no fix as per my lord in the annexers, but it is in the my lord October. So if lordship, my lord, everything is there, my lord, I will just not take much time, my lord. Page 23, my lord.
You may have it in the coming week if you want. Not today.
My lord, I am not seeking time, my lord.
I know, but
Pleadings completed already posted for.
we'll post it next week, not today.
On my lord, next Thursday, my lord, 11, my lord.
Parties are represented by the respective councils and they submit that the pleadings are complete as paid for list on Thursday for admission hearing.
Next Thursday, my lord,
Yes.
11, my lord.
Please give the date.
I'm deeply obliged.
May I please, when is a case, my lord, provincialization of service. The lordship may kindly be here is the last order, my lord. 2023 matter, in fact, the petition has been facing the legal battle since 2021. Now, as per last order, my lord, learned government advocate, my lord, asked to file affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 4.
Yes.
Now, considering urgency, we have made an mention, making it by order, my lord.
Respondent number 4.
My lord.
Who is that?
No,
District
district limited
Scrutiny.
division officer, my lord.
This is what provincialization.
Yes, my lord. District scrutiny committee. Now, as per affidavit filed by the respondent number 2, my lord, director, my lord. Only because of my name was recommended, did not recommended by the district scrutiny committee, my lord. My provincialization order has been cancelled, my lord. Now, if your lordship, my provincialization order, my lord, at pace.
Who's appealing for the respondent number 4?
Earlier government advocate, there was there, my lord. We have served also copy.
On behalf of Chief Ego, your lordship.
Hmm.
Instruction awaited, your lordship.
When will you file a affidavit?
2 weeks, lordship.
District Scrutiny Committee.
2 weeks time, maybe.
As a last chance, my lord. If failed, my lord, your lordship dispose of the matter on the basis of the records available.
Further 2 weeks time is granted to respond number 4 for filing counter affidavit as paid for. List again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. We'll see.
My lord. Well, since 2011, I am not getting salary also.
Hmm.
So as a last chance, man.
No, not the lessons. We'll see.
Earlier, your lordship granted time there.
Yeah.
Yes,
Huh?
sir, your lordship order earlier also granted time.
Yes, we'll grant one more time. Okay, we'll see next time if they don't file, we'll pass appropriate orders.
My lord. Like that observation may.
Okay, if the affidavit is not filed by the next date, court may consider passing appropriate orders.
High level. Yes.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, in this case, Lordship, petitioners, Lordship, fixation of pay is made as per fitment table 1.9, as per ROP 2017, although he's to get as per fitment table 1.8, Lordship. And because of this wrong fixation, petitioner are getting less salary than Lordship, other similarly situated persons.
Okay, who's appearing for the other side? Elementary
Lordship,
education,
Department, Lordship.
elementary.
Lordship. Elementary, Lordship.
All of them are elementary.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Elementary. Elementary. To fitment table, fixation of it. Affidavit is required in this
Yes,
case.
Lordship, in this case, affidavit will be required, Lordship. Lordship may kindly grant some time, Lordship.
Yes, that's what nobody's praying for
Yes,
time.
yes,
That's why I
yes.
was wondering what to do.
Yes.
That's straightforward.
Yes.
Mr. SMT is still on it, standing counsel, elementary
Elementary
education. Further 3 weeks time is granted
Yes.
to receive instructions and to file counter.
Date may be fixed. Lordship. Lordship, otherwise, Lordship, this is listed almost after 1 year.
List again after the ensuing puja vacation on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Lordship. Obliged.
May please, your lordship. Lordship, in this case, my lord, the affidavit for filing affidavit, the private respondent, my lord, I have challenged provincial agent of respondent number 6 to 8. They have took time on 21 to 2025, 19/3, 2025, 30/5/25, 18/8/25. My lord, they are not willingly, my lord, not filing affidavit, delaying the matter. So, my lord, I have urgency.
I am filing it today, my. If, file is already with the clerk, not he's getting it.
You are for which respondent?
I have 6, 7 and 8, my.
Learned counsel for respondent number 6, 7 and 8 submits that he will be filing the counter affidavit of the said respondents during the course of the day.
Right.
In view of above, let's this matter again
After
after the week on a date to be fixed by the registry.
My lord, may I pray a date, my lord, because I am depriving since 21.
No, the registry will give a date. You want to file a reply also?
I will file immediately, I will.
Okay. Liberty is granted to the petitioner also to file reply affidavit if so, if so advised.
Obliged.
After a week, my lord,
Yes, after a week.
deeply. obliged.
Feelings of the victim.
Please, your lordship.
Mm.
My lord, in this case, my lord,
Pleadings completed, both the cases, your lordship, affidavit filed in both the cases.
it's a small issue, my lord, regarding one advance increment for pursuing B.Ed degree, my lord. There are several orders, my lord, I have annexed, my lord, this is a cover case, my
It has
lord.
been denied to you.
You, my lord, it is
What-
not denied, my lord, it is not granted to me, my lord.
Have you asked for it?
My lord, my lord.
Where?
One, my lord, I have page number 68 and 68 and 69, my lord.
69 current. এখন affidavit কোনটুকু হয়েছে? Oh, I'm not doing it. Oh, and mine is the no number page initial when I go.
Sixty-eight is your application.
My lord, my writ petition, my lord.
Read petition.
68 is your representation.
My lord, the representation, my lord. And
How many representation?
there are two petitioners, my lord.
Two petitioners.
Your lordship, both the cases were similar, your lordship.
Four petitioners, my lord.
Where is that?
My lord.
The WPC number 6054. How many petitioners are there?
6054, four.
There are
petitioners.
four.
Four petitioners.
All of them have completed B.Ed.
B.Ed, my lord.
And you are entitled to increment.
Increment, my lord.
As per what provision?
My lord, provision, my lord, I have annexed, my lord, here with.
Where?
My lord, kindly page number 23, my lord. See kindly page number 23, my lord. 23, my lord, last paragraph.
Office memorandum.
Office memorandum. my lord.
Yes.
Last paragraph, my lord.
Read.
The government of Assam is pleased to order that all such cases of sanction of advance increment for acquiring higher qualification, such advance increment shall be sanctioned with effect of next annual increment irrespective of the date of acquiring higher qualification, my lord.
Higher qualification means what? It includes B.Ed also.
B.Ed also.
It was set aside, no.
No, it is not.
2014.
No, it is not such a.
No submission.
But it does not specifically say that
Yes.
B.Ed degree, those who acquire B.Ed degree will be given.
Thereafter, page number 39, my lord, kindly see. Page number 39. Decision, my lord, order of the director, my lord, for regarding one increment. There are criteria has been fixed, my lord. Serial number 2, obtain B.Ed degree from UGC recognized university NCT from B.Ed college, my lord. Regarding granting one B.Ed increment for pursuing B.Ed degree, my lord.
What is this 22/10/2014?
2210, my lord.
High Court has quashed this.
Quashed
Okay,
it.
this is annexure 4.
Page number, my lord.
24.
24.
24.
My lord, this has been set aside, my lord.
What is this?
My lord, last paragraph, my lord, this is also. Now, after considering all aspects, the government of Assam is hereby pleased to order that henceforth no advance increment for B.Ed degree, B.Ed, B.D, B.Ed of the teachers of secondary shall be admissible. It was restricted by the government. Court has been set aside by this order, my lord.
Okay. Then
Thereafter, my lord, I have annexed liberal judgment of our High Court, my lord. Kindly see page number 44 onwards, my lord. It was directed the director to consider the entitlement of B.Ed degree, my lord.
all assistant teachers are eligible to get one advance increment for acquiring B.Ed provided he or she joined before 4/3/7/12. What is this? He joined before 3/7/12 means joined the service.
Joint, my lord. My lord, in this case, my lord, our service has been published under 2011 rule, my lord. Considering the date of joining, my lord, our date of joining is, my lord, page number 15, my lord.
What is the date?
Date of joining, my lord, page number 15, my lord, can you see?
What is that? Give me the date.
Date, my lord, 2/7/1997. 2/7/1997, page number 15.
So that means you joined before this 3/7/2012.
12, my lord, our date of our service has been provincialized, my lord, as per 2011 rule, my lord.
So your case is you are covered by annexure 6,
Annexure,
which you just read.
my lord. Covered by lecture.
All teachers are eligible to get one increment acquiring
My lord, my lord.
B.Ed degree,
My lord.
provided he or she joined before
Joined before
3/7/2012
12.
and obtained B.Ed degree from
B.Ed
UGC
degree,
recognized. So if you fulfill this condition, you can get
My lord, my lord.
increment.
One advance.
Can we dispose it off in that line?
Your lordship.
You will examine and verify.
My lord, my
Yes, your lordship. Yeah, yes, your lordship.
And what about the other with petition?
other petition also same, my lord,
There is also similar, your lordship.
similar, my lord.
Similar order can be passed, your lordship, for verification of the documents and then pass reason speaking on it.
Please write down item number 24, 23, and 24. Both the writ petitions are taken up for disposal together since the issues involved are similar. Stop. It is the case of the petitioners that they have acquired B.Ed degree. And therefore they are entitled to receive one, what is this? One advance increment in terms of the instructions given by the state government.
Lordship, kindly the paragraph may be noted down, your lordship.
What is that?
Passing that order, your lordship, paragraph 4 and paragraph 6 of my writ petition, affidavit in opposition.
In which case?
Sorry. Ahmedur Rahman Loskar, that is writ petition 6054/2024.
Where is that? Paragraph?
Paragraph, my affidavit in opposition, paragraph 4, page 70.
What does it say?
Your lordship, it was said that the provision of granting one advance increment for acquiring B.Ed degree to the teacher was introduced by the government-wide OM dated so and so, dated on 7/3/1998. Thereafter, government in the secondary education enacted the Assam Secondary Provincialized Service Amendment Rule, that is on 2012, and made PT B.Ed degree compulsory and essential qualification for getting the appointment as a teacher in secondary school. Continuation to that, your lordship, page 71. Subsequently, government-wide notification dated 22/10/2014 decided and ordered that henceforth no advance increment for degree of BT B.Ed of the teacher in the secondary school shall be admissible. And that is annexed also, your lordship, at page.
Now that is history now.
Page
If you come
76.
to page 39, which the learned counsel has read, it says that High Court has set aside the notification dated 22/10/2014. So now increment will be given. This is what he read. So what is your good name?
F.A. Loskar, my lord.
Mr. F.A. Laskar, learned counsel for the petitioner, in this connection has drawn the attention of this court to the communication dated 21/7/2016, bracket annexure 6, in WPC number 6054 of 2024, and submits that although the state government had issued a notification on 22/10/2014, stopping the grant of advance increment for acquisition of BT/B.Ed degrees. But this court, by order dated 16/2/2016, passed in WPC number 6241 of 2015, had quashed the government notification dated 22/10/2014. And therefore, the Joint Director of School Secondary Education had informed all the Inspector of Schools through the said communication dated 21/7/2016 that all assistant teachers would be eligible to get one advance increment for acquiring B.Ed degree, provided he or she joins before 3/7/2012 and obtains the B.Ed degree from UGC recognized university and NCTE approved B.Ed colleges. First of the Learned Counsel submits that though an application was submitted by the petitioner before the respondent authority concerned, but since the advance increment was not given, petitioners are before this court. Next para, having regard to the above projection, it only appears that the government at one point of time discontinued grant of giving of one advance increment for persons acquiring BT/B.Ed degree, but in view of the interference made White order dated 16/2/2016 in WPC number 6241 of 2015, grant of increment has continued once again. Stop. Under the circumstance, the writ petition is disposed of by directing the respondent authorities to examine the claim of the petitioners as to whether they fulfill the criteria as stipulated in the communication dated 21/7/2016. And in the event they fulfill it, the increment as entitled to them may be accorded. Such an exercise be done within a period of 6 weeks from the date of receipt of a certified copy of this order.
Both the cases.
Both are disposed of, common order.
May I please, your lordship, matter may be passed over for time being. My senior is in another court.
26.
25.
Who is appearing for the respondents? Okay, as paid for by Ms. S. Sutia, Learned Standing Counsel. Huh? This is Health Department. Oh, elementary is also there. Health is also there. Why? Health and
Because he is paying for
Medical reimbursement is about.
Learned Standing Counsel, Elementary Education Department, as well as Mr. D. Upamania, Learned Standing Counsel, Health Department. Further 3 weeks' time is granted.
Number 16.
Hmm?
6.
Okay. Your good name? Ms. G. Bora, Government Advocate, appears for respondent number 6. Okay, that also you include. Further 3 weeks' time.
Lordship, date may be fixed. Kindly.
Maybe is granted for obtaining instructions and to file counter-affidavit. List the matter again after the ensuing puja vacation on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Highly obliged.
May I please, your lordship. My lord, this is regarding my lord, pension, my lord. My pension has not been granted, my lord.
Retired as what?
Retired as a headmaster of a high school. My lord.
When?
My lord, 31/1/2021.
Why your pension is not given to you? Some proceedings there, departmental?
No, my lord.
Some recovery?
No.
No. Wrong fixation?
No, my lord,
Then?
it was not,
Instruction is not in your lordship.
That's all right. We'll grant you time. See, normally when person retires, not before he retires, I think there's a government instruction 3-4 months before retirement, the pension papers is to be processed. So that once the person retires, he can get pension within time.
This is regarding.
This is the practice, isn't it?
Contributory pension, my lord.
First, 4-6 or this second one.
Second.
Your Lordship, kindly grant us 3 weeks time to obtain instruction.
Yes, I'll not deny that chance. I'll grant you. Please listen what I'm saying. Normally, a government servant is entitled to pension, correct? And so that the person does not fall into some kind of difficulty, I think there's an instruction floated which says that pension papers should be processed much before their retirement. So what is happening today? Everybody is coming for grant of pension. After 3-4 years, 5 years, nothing is given. Of course, I understand if there's a case of some proceeding is there, some overdrawal is there. In such case, may be difficult. But ordinarily, pension has to be processed. Every time court is saying pension is not a bounty.
Lordship, document is not, Your Lordship, up to date, Your Lordship, for that reconstruction of service.
That is why I was asking you what has happened in this case. Why your pension is not given since you retired in 2021?
21 minutes.
4 years have gone.
4 years ago. My
What seems to be the problem?
lord, inspector of school not forwarded our pension paper.
Not forwarded.
My lord, that is the problem, madam.
Inspector, he take the name of inspector of schools, but inspector of school is there, Your Lordship, Kasar, respondent 7. Chief, I may allow some time to obtain instruction.
Okay, as paid for by the learned counsels appearing for the respondents, further 3 weeks time is granted to obtain instructions and to file counter affidavit. To stop, since the petitioner claims to have retired from service on 31/1/2021 as headmaster of Mohammed Yasin Chaudhary High School, Uttar Krishnapur, Kachar. Respondents should positively file their affidavit by the next date. List again. After the ensuing vacation, Puja vacation on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Appearing for
This
respondent.
he does secondary education, RM Barua Finance. Your good name, G Bora, Government Advocate for
There, Your Lordship, the in charge headmaster. Respondent 9.
Huh? C Gogoi for respondent number 6.
9 has to take steps.
9.
Yes. Your
Who's
Lordship.
9?
The in charge headmaster of high school.
No, last time Miss N.M. Sharma standing.
Sure. School education, secondary education.
I know, maybe. Please listen to me first. I'm reading the order of 4/6/25. Order dated 4/6/25. Miss N.M. Sharma, Learned Standing Council, Secondary Education Department, accepts notice on behalf of respondent numbers 1, 3, 7, and 9.
Your Lordship, mistakenly she made Your Lordship.
We'll take care of it.
In charge headmaster. I mean,
But he's holding it, just sir, that right now, Rossi fixed case of
25.
Normally, in charge headmaster would not represent Rossi because in charge is for a
Why do you put in charge? There is no regular headmaster.
temporary. Now he is.
You were the headmaster.
No, my lord, I have already retired.
No, that's what. You were the headmaster, then you retired.
My lord retired.
And later on, nobody, no permanent headmaster is posted.
No.
Only in charge.
My lord in charge.
That is why you made in charge. You take steps. You take steps. Because government will not, they cannot appear for in charge headmaster. Okay. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 9. by registered post with ADU within 3 working days.
My lord, the date may be fixed, my lord. I
Court-
have not got nothing, my lord, after retirement.
Registry will fix a date. I say that after the vacation, 3 weeks, that there's a fixed date. Okay.
Obliged.
Yes.
This is basically a covered case, your lordship. In a similar matter, this honorable court has disposed of, which you have annexed.
What is the subject?
Subject is that, your lordship, these petitioners, they were serving as Hindi language teachers in upper primary schools. At that time, the schools were in venture state, government aided. Subsequently, your lordship, the schools were duly considered and the schools were provincialized. But the post of this Hindi teacher, their services were not provincialized. Now, under the Act of 2017, lordship, now when the earlier act was there of 2011, Hindi being a compulsory subject, your lordship, all the Hindi teachers were compulsorily regularized or provincialized under the old act of 2011, which in the meantime has been struck down. So under the new act, your lordship, there is provision for pre-teachers, social studies, then English and language. So there is a provision for language teacher and Hindi being a compulsory subject, your lordship.
Okay, you say it's covered by which judgment? You have annexed it.
Annexed at page 161.
161.
It starts at 150.
Mr. Fukan?
Lordship, regarding the Hindi teacher, there is a dispute going on and an appeal also has been filed in the division bench. So my lord, in this matter, we have not filed an affidavit, my lord. So I think, my lord, we should first bring the stand of the department, my lord. And
Okay, just reverting back to what Mr. Lashkar had said. You're saying that as per the provision, there are 3 teachers required. One is language, one is
social studies,
social studies, social science, and the other one?
maths and science.
Science and mathematics.
Science and maths.
Science and maths.
So now you are concerned with Hindi.
I am concerned, and Hindi is a compulsory subject
Okay.
of this ME. In ME section, it is a compulsory subject.
And what does the court say in this covered case?
In this, the court says that since there is a provision under section 3111, the only reconsideration.
3111 means?
Means this, the provision which provides that there should be language teachers. So matter remanded back that you just reconsider whether they can be accommodated under this provision.
Oh, it does not hold that it should be like that or
No,
that.
no.
It just says you consider.
Reconsider under
Can
this.
consider, but my lord,
And Mr. Fukan is talking about some other case.
same, my lord. I mean, the issues are same. Wherein, my lord, regarding the languages, so languages may contain English, may contain Assamese, may contain Hindi. Especially in the case of Hindi, there is a, my lord, dispute going on. The department again has filed a appeal in some other cases.
Opinion against which case?
My lord,
No, what
but
did this
the
Larat
issue
single
is-
judge?
My lord, the issue is same, my lord.
No, what
regarding-
was challenged?
challenge, my lord, is that whether like among them, whether the Hindi teacher should be taken as the first in the languages part, in the languages. section
Before
of
that,
3111.
first of all, there has to be a direction from the court
My lord,
that you take person with Hindi.
my lord.
Something like that was there.
So so I'll get my instruction, my lord. But in that case, what the problem is that in that case, regarding the languages in 3111, there are 3 distinct, my lord. The language part, whether it should be given to an Assamese teacher, whether it should be given to an English teacher or Hindi teacher. Hindi teacher part is there's a dispute going, whether they should get or not.
Now, what the single
my
judge
lord,
has said that
Here, my lord, he has placed a judgment, my lord. So I pray that, my lord, some time may be given to us. We'll get our instructions regarding this case also, my lord, because this is annexed over here. So, my lord, some time may be given. An affidavit I'll file, my lord, a detailed one, because there is a dispute, my lord. Because if that is
What is that provision?
3111, my lord. 3111 of the old of the new act, my lord, 17 act.
page number 2.
Please write down.
3111 of the 17 act.
I have quoted it in
Mr. M.H. Lashkar, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that in terms of the provisions of section 3(1) small Roman 11 of the Assam Education Provincialization Act, 2017. the petitioner being a Hindi teacher
Hindi language teacher.
should be provincialized under the quota meant for language teachers. Stop, Mr. A. Fukan, non-standing counsel. Elementary education, on the other hand, submits that question which would fall for consideration is as to whether the teacher of as to which teacher should be given the priority. That is
Hindi, English, Assamese.
Hindi, English, and Assamese language teachers.
Oral language.
And that the issue is currently pending before a larger bench. Is it like that? Larger bench,
Division. Furnish the details here.
division bench, and he submits that he may be given some time to
Get the
respond to the writ petition and get appropriate instructions in the matter. Considering the submission made, list this matter again after 2 weeks or 3 weeks?
3 weeks.
3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
With your response.